And here we are, returning once again with Modding Monday. Hello, hello. And there it is. What is that picture? What picture? The thing I have on my... This one? Roll for initiative, my guy. That picture. On my t-shirt. That is what it is. It is called... No, the thing in Discord. Oh. Look, come on. That's hilarious. From Frankenstein. Because we're gonna be making energy today. So that's gonna be interesting. Let's do this as well. And yeah, I honestly thought it was a really funny idea to post that. And yeah, that's why it's happened. Simple as that. Because I find it funny. Energy. Yeah, energy. We're going to see whether or not it's going to work. But honestly, with the progress that was made on fluids, I don't know. I feel confident, to be honest. I think that's going to be good. Luke, what is up? What is going on, man? How y'all doing? I'm doing freaking fantastic. It is insane. It's so good. I don't even know. It's amazing. Yo, what you mean you got accepted? What? That's amazing. Oh god. Oh god. That's amazing, Luke, though. Good on you, dude. Absolutely. It's yeah, very good. Arch, you know, when you say something horrible, I'm picturing like horror level like 28. You know, we got Super Saiyan Chad. Oh man. Thank you very much for the photo. Hello, let's go. Hello, hello. Let's put all of this right here. There we go. And then we'll see. Now more like redacted. Yeah, like, listen. I'm just saying. Hakan, hello, hello. Okay. All right. Only from mobile today. I don't have internet yet. Oh no, that's not good. Well, I mean, hope the internet is coming soon then. You know, that would not be... If it's mobile internet especially, then it's oof. Big oof. Yeah, how about a different song? There you go. Yeah, tomorrow. I mean, that's pretty good. Okay, I mean, at least it's not like, you know, a long time. Oh, it's not even mobile internet. Okay, that's also fine. Listen, I have a crazy, insane story, right? This happened to me when I first got internet. It was, it dates back to 2009. I was a whole different world back then. Anyway, so we were at one company and we were like, you know, let's go to a different company that also has internet. All right. So we changed. So we, you know, said to them, whatever. And, you know, go and, you know, tell the other company that the contract is void, right? Because that's how it works. The new company basically contacts the old company, and they get all of the information, and everything works. All right, everything's fine. In between the sort of when the change was to occur, the old company called and was like, hey, you know, for the next, like, you know, you want like a little bit of a better, you want a better, you want to pay less money for a little bit? And then we were like, hey, yo, let's do it, right? So my mom said yes, which locked us in for another year into the contract. So I had to wait an entire year, being 13 or 14 years old, to get internet. 1 year. That's insane. Anyway, what do we have? Well, finally see Kaupenjoe's handsome face in HD. Thank you. Also, yeah. So Hakan, you can definitely earn money from CurseForge. However, if that is the... Okay, so I would say that there's multiple levels to it. If you don't know Java and you want to go in there without... Like, if you know little to no Java and you want to go in there earning money, completely forget that. If you are intermediate to advanced in Java, want to go in there and earn money, I would still say forget that. If you are passionate about Minecraft modding, you really like it, you absolutely, like, you love doing it, can you make a little bit of a side income? Sure. Okay, yeah. I mean, couple of bucks a month-ish, something like that. Maybe if you have a insanely popular mod, maybe even, you know, two digits worth of money a month, or, you know, maybe even like close to like the bottom 3. But then you get into like, okay, but it's not that much. So realistically speaking, if you are in for it for the money, it's not working. It's not. I just don't think that it's not a good motivation. The issue is that you're gonna take so long to do that. It's not good. Is that the master thesis in the background? Which one? Which this? No, the master thesis is completely on the PC. Husky. That's only written in a Word document. And we'll see about that, like, at some point. Maybe I'm gonna show it at some point. Writing my master thesis live. Oh, riveting content, wouldn't that be, isn't it? What is a thesis? It is the last type of... it's like a scientific paper, but like a little bit longer, and it is what you have to write to get your degree, basically. So a master thesis is like, you know, it has to be 60 to 120 pages, at least for us, for me. And yeah, making a map of Stardew Valley game with mods in Minecraft as a mod pack. I hope it holds. That's pretty cool. Where sub goal? That's not... I don't show it when I'm on this this scene, but it's going to be shown when I switch the scene in a moment. Sounds like kind of my thing. I have to do something in school. Yeah, it's like an assignment, but, you know, a little bit longer and stuff like that. It's pretty good. I don't know where it's gone. You have to go up into general chat a long time until you find it. So good luck on that. I've not found it. I looked at it, but I didn't find it. So mine was about how stars get born. Mine is about a VR game that I have to make myself. It's pretty good. That's honestly a really cool topic. You're gonna sell it as an NFT. How about no on that one? How about a no on that one, please? Thank you. Thank you. Jeez, you're actually gonna make it. Don't do it. You do know that if you want to sell something as an NFT, you actually are gonna have to put money in there, right? Player Z, let's go. Hello, hello. NFT is worse than a B. You're not gonna make it. Well, you know, do whatever you want to. If you get mail, then you're gonna see it. We have Snowsen Man. Thank you very much for the follow. Long time no see. Long time no see indeed. But we're back here once again, Modding Monday, and then we'll see. Man, it is crazy what is going on. So let me go right here. And here we are. Back right here. Snowsen Man, hello, hello. Right here, back in what we always perceive as our home, IntelliJ. Eclipse is also okay, but you know, I feel more home at IntelliJ. What software are you using for streaming? I'm using. I know that this is almost heresy to say it, but I'm using Streamlabs OBS because I want 2 different instances of OBS. So I have normal OBS for recording and everything is set up perfectly for that. And I have Streamlabs OBS for streaming because it's set up for streaming. That's why I have both of them. But yes, that is the software I'm using. All totally free and honestly pretty good. It works. It works really well. So I'm actually, it's doing pretty good. Clip sucks on Linux. Okay, that's, listen. It sounds like a Linux problem to me. Is this some sort of Linux joke I'm too Windows to understand? Alright, so let's recap for a second. I actually did one thing offline, but it was insanely minor. And that is I just fixed another bug where there was a synchronization issue. The synchronization issue was in the tick method over here, because it was also called in the client side. When we call the fluid tank stuff, this also changed on both of them. So it would change on the client side twice, meaning that it would fill the tank up because the tank apparently synchronizes sometimes on its own and sometimes not. I'm not sure. Whatever the case may be, I made it so that it only the tick method only works on the server side. Probably should be a thing anyway, but we're gonna be okay. We can always refactor later. I also refactored the screen class the tiniest bit just because it was crazy. So this was I literally just said like assign here is mouse above area. So I literally just introduced 2 classes methods here, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna be okay. No, we're gonna be totally fine, man. Friend sent me their way of natural spawning. And natural spawning is not difficult. I'll change my laptop. This screen is too small. Yeah, I can zoom in, but that's not gonna make it that much better because sometimes the lines are a little bit long. I can only zoom in so much, so yeah. So now, if we actually take a look at this, energy handling is right there. Okay, hydrate. For you, Arch, for you. Does that make you uncomfortable? If I stare in the camera while I'm drinking, I'm gonna do it again. My PC has too many problems. I've never been able to make a Minecraft mod. Bummer. It does make you uncomfortable. Okay, then I'm gonna stop. Alright, so energy handling is pretty much the next thing that's on the list, and might as well try it out, right? What's the worst that can happen? We're not gonna be able to do anything, but honestly, after being able to do the fluids, man, I'm very good. Yo, Super Saiyan Chad, thank you so much for the subscription. Thank you. Calm drink. Maybe not. Only real ones stare at the sun. Right, so let's think about the energy handling, right? I am not 100% sure where we want to go with this. So I have done something about energy, but honestly, let's go to my favorite website, which is, of course, GitHub. Are you going to use the gem infusing station? I'm guessing by the title on Discord. Yes. So let me actually show you what we have at the moment for some people who have not seen it yet. So then we're going to see. So, because we've actually added the fluid manipulation, I guess, fluid stuff. Yo, Maeve! Thank you very much for the subscription. Thank you. For the Prime subscription as well. And also, hello there. Nice for you to check out the stream. It's going pretty good. Oh, man. We have to chat again at some point, man. It's been like 2.5 years again, something like that. So, yeah. We're halfway there. Oh ho, living on a prayer. Hype train. Yeah, we're like, close to a hype train, but, don't get your hopes up too much. Maybe if someone has a Prime sub lying around, you can always use it. I'm just saying, you can always use it. So for me, it says the hype train is close. That it takes like one more, but it's pretty cool. Or, bro. Yo. That's crazy. It's on right now. Well, even better. Get the hype going, guys. Get the hype going. All right, that's pretty good. Yeah, oh, never mind. See, that's what I'm saying. Remove the hype, you get me. A train. Yeah, the splash. We've already seen the splash. People sub now. Why are you telling this to other people? You can do that as well. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Well, it's still like 2 minutes and 45 seconds that we have until it's no longer a thing. Yeah, the coincidence on the splash screen, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yo. Oh. Cheers to the king. Cheers to the king. And there we have it. The 100 cheers. Thank you, Toby. There we go. And then we actually are on a hype train. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. Oh, man. All right, let me do this one right here. Set day. And then we'll see. Let's actually, like, get rid of all of this insanity over here. And then I'll show you the... You know, now it's real hype to actually show you the block entity over here. All right. So, we have the block entity right here. And then if we take a look at it, right, we actually have a tank over here that we can fill. And yes, we can fill it with this, for example. There we go. So you can see we actually can fill up the tank with water, which is honestly freaking awesome. Now we can also fill it this way. If I just make a few water buckets and, you know, I put a water bucket in here. Oh, this is actually something I have to fix. Oh, that is a great thing. If it doesn't fit in there, then we shouldn't change the water bucket. So that's a pretty good thing. But what we can do is we can now make... We can make cut gems from uncut gems, and it's going to take out water. What am I supposed to say? That is awesome. I think this is extremely cool, and it works very well. You can also see I can put the water in. Now, what happens if I do this? Right now I'm at 15.75. What happens now? Okay, so okay. Right, I should definitely check for that, but that is pretty much all that there's to it. So this is already working, and now I would want to add a nice, like, RF bar or, like, you know, energy bar on the right side over here. And then the first, you know, block entity is done, and then it's just about implementing the other entities. Pretty good. Also, can we get, like, a few poggers in chat for the fact that the hype train is at 69%? Nice. Oh, that's hilarious. Right, okay, so let's actually take a look at the adding here. Let's see. So we have the following. We have Pog. This would be a pig. No, that's the wrong one. That's the wrong one, man. All right, this is in the block entity. And it is going to be the transfer item right here. Now, what we want to do is we want to only do this if there is enough space in the tank. So this has water source and slot, and then we're going to make a new private static boolean. Look in Discord. Alrighty, we're going to do it. Oh, Kaupenjoe train. All right, let's take a look at it. Ah, nice. That's always great. Dude, I looked at the Meow one for so long. I looked at it so often. It's actually insane. I loved it. It was so good. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. I love making these clips. Dude, the Meow one really is awesome. The Meow one is absolutely amazing. Has space in tank. The Meow one is great. I want to do something with that sound. I don't know what yet, but we're gonna see. Maybe if I think I can play sounds if people redeem their channel points. Julian _0704. Thank you very much for the follow. Yeah, I think I can make sounds play when people redeem stuff. So yes, exact. Kaupen get cat girl emote when? I don't know. Kaupen, do you know what happened to Yoro? I don't know. No. Or follow sound. No, I don't know about that. That's a little much, I think. I think that's a little much. Alright, so I would want to do the following. I want to say if there is space in the tank. So we're going to see. I did a 500 character. It didn't go through. Oh no, yeah, if it's too long, I think it's not going to get through. 499. Return. You should see my follow sound. Better not. How long does German please last? At the moment, I have set it up for 2 minutes, I think. 2 minutes. Because 5 minutes, I think, is a little much. And 1 minute is not enough. I think it's 2 minutes. So, that's also going to be very interesting indeed. I mean, that is one that's terrible. Alright. Well, we gotta say goodbye to the hype train. Only 10 seconds remaining. But it was cool while it was there. It was pretty cool. Maybe we can do it again at some other point. But it was pretty good, guys. Pretty good. All right, we're going to say the entity dot fluid tank dot... this is going to be if the amount... Okay, then I'm going to just say how much is going to be put in there. So that's going to be fill amount. If the get fluid dot get amount plus fill amount is smaller or equal... No, other way around. Let's do it. 2 minutes is not worth 3,000. Okay, you're gonna save it for the cat girl ears as well. Oh man, this is great. This is absolutely amazing. Fluid tank dot get space. Oh wait, get space? Is that just gonna give me the space that's actually in there? Yo, that's amazing. If space is bigger or equal to fill amount. Yes. Absolutely. You've become one of my favorite YouTubers, though I can't mod due to PC issues. That's great. That's amazing. I like that. That's actually pretty cool. I mean, it's a bummer that you can't mod, but you know, listen, what isn't yet can still always be. You know, why not? This is also the case. Okay, so I basically wanted to check right here. 2,500. I think it's cool that they can't mod. What are you talking about? Upgrading my PC soon. Ooh, nice. That is great then. Maybe it will work then. Hopefully then I can mod. Yeah, that will be pretty good. Alright, this would be the fill amount, so has space in tank. Yeah, absolutely. This is exactly what we're going to do. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. Now, does this scream like we could probably extract another method? Absolutely. I mean, it definitely does, right? This screams for extracting another method. Like, it is literally the same thing that's happening here. So, maybe like this. So, we're going to refactor extract method, and this is going to be the fill tank with water. Sure. Oh, yes, this is okay. This is fine. Yes, it's exactly what I want to do. Yo, it actually did this for real. Look at this. It was smart enough to figure out that this should also be replaced. Guys, that's amazing. Can someone clip that? That's amazing. Like, that is actually crazy. Because it was so, you know, the same. Wow, that's great. That is amazing. Man. I don't know what you mean. But, okay, whatever. I love JetBrains products. That was just really good. Now, look at how nicer this is. When will SMP streams return? Also has Forge fixed WorldGen. WorldGen has been fixed for a long time now. And SMP streams, I have no idea because I, you know, it's just, I just have no, it's just, I don't know. I'm making a mod right now. I just can't even think about that. Not that I don't want to play Minecraft, it's more that it's like... I love how they called the item bucket over here. Just get unbusy. That is impossible for me to get unbusy. Listen, there's crazy developments happening, which I cannot speak of at this moment in time, but man, am I telling you. Oh, is it going great? It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy indeed. There are some insanely cool things that are coming soon. As soon as he is unbusy, I'm paying him to be busy again. It's gonna be a while. Also, I did start my master thesis like literally on Friday, so yeah, we're gonna be busy for a while. JL Zatir, hello. What is up? Well, you know, overall, you know, it's I mean, the sky is up, but also we have a custom block entity over here filled with water. Now, this is all customly made, customly coded. Absolutely amazing. And I can put some uncut gems in there, put my gem cutting tools in there, and there we go. It starts going in there. Where does the Minecraft store world data when it's run from IntelliJ? I can show you. It is in the run folder inside of the saves. And then we have the testing stuff's world right there. What are you studying? I am studying computer science. And I am, you know, about to do my master's. So, like, literally the master thesis. So it's 6 months and then I'm done. Over. This should work. Yes. And then if I do another one. So if I just do this and then put this in, then it should not work. Hey, let's go. Oh, I need a gem cutting. Gem cutter. A gem cutter. Make a resource slimes sodium compatible. Well, first of all, that's not going to work because... And then it did it like nice. Okay. That's perfect. That is actually perfect. Water bottle. Okay. That doesn't... I can't make it sodium compatible because it's a forge mod and not a fabric mod at the moment. Okay, so that worked, and then if I do this, all right, that's amazing. Nice. And Java models because of JSON. Why is Forge specifically though? Well, because I have been working in Forge for, I don't know, like a year longer-ish, or maybe even more than in Fabric. And then also I just knew a few things better in Forge rather than Fabric. Also, I do kind of want to have my mod added to, you know, mod packs at some point. Merry Christmas to you, Nano. Merry Christmas. Forge is just more based. Well, you know, it depends on what your goals are, right? If you want your mod to be added to a huge mod pack, then, you know, it just makes sense to do that. Did your computer science provide you sufficient Java knowledge for Minecraft modding? Yes, it did, actually. That is probably one of the main reasons why it was so easy to pick it up. So the general idea is that the because I learned most of Java via the actual bachelor, definitely. And then when you have enough foundation, at some point you can actually continue learning on your own. But that is the thing. You actually have to get to that point. And that is the hard point to get to. I'm going to be honest. Like, that's probably the hard point. Yo! JL Zatir, thank you so much for the subscription. Thank you. And, yeah, also, Arch, come on. Don't say that, you know, anyone sucks that doesn't do it in anywhere. Here you go. Well, thank you. The Pie Life. Thank you very much for the follow. Now, I have to ask, Pie Life, you are half Tau guy. Is this correct? Is this correct? Because honestly, it was the stupidest joke ever, but it's so good. Perhaps. All right. Okay. That's good. I don't know. It's so stupid, right? But yeah. Thank you for your awesome work. Well, also thank you, and then also thank you for the support. Yeah, nano attack with a chip. Nice. Yeah, so this is now working. So now we have this working. Now it is time to get some energy handling going on. Oh, energy. And for this, of course, right here. I believe there is in Forge a energy stuff. Energy handler. Let's just see. Okay, this is in mechanism. All right. How about, like, we get something else? So far, I have enough for 2 hydrates. That's great. Energy capability. I know that this exists. Capability energy. There it is. Energy storage, that's what I was looking for. Is this implemented? Yes, Forge energy integration. Interesting. And then we also have energy storage. Let's see and take a look. Strict energy handler, all right. Get energy stored. Max energy stored. Can extract. Can receive. And then this is seems like very similar, but it has a serialized stuff. Why is this a tag? Okay, that is wild. I have never seen tag before. I thought that it was just NBT, but okay. Eventually you will spill the drink. Yeah. I agree. At some point it's gonna happen. But who knows? So stay tuned and stay here, man. Otherwise you will never find out. I'll be right back, alright? Take your time, man. Take your time. Oh, wait a second. This is mechanism. I'm stupid. No, of course not. But I've missed this. Energy storage. We're just gonna take this. Count my spill. That's great. I have a question regarding a mod I'm making. Should I ask it here on the Discord server? Well, the Discord server is probably gonna help you much quicker than I am while I'm making my own mod. Can't really, you know, help you out. So that's probably gonna be it. What specs do you recommend on PC for modding? Well, I think the first thing would be to definitely have enough RAM. So I think RAM is probably the most important bit. I mean, 8 gigabytes is just, that would be the least. I mean, at this point, 16. It's not the priciest thing, luckily, so maybe that would be a thing. But yeah, that one definitely. And apart from that, yeah, I'm not sure. Otherwise, I don't think that there's anything that's like crazy that you also need. Energy storage is going to be the energy storage. Equal to new energy storage. Do we have anything we can pass in here? Absolutely, right? Yeah, int. Amazing. Hoping 64, 128. Yo, that would be more than enough. Capacity max transfer. Interesting. We can also put in max receive. Max transfer. Do we need that? Right, so let's first of all think about like how much I want to put in there. 60,000? I don't know how much like one transaction is going to take, but we'll see. And then the max transfer would be how many per tick? Probably, I would argue. This is probably what would happen. Yes. Max receive, yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much what it would do. Where can I find the link to your Discord server? It should work with !Discord. That should work. 600 RF per tick. Why would you want to do that? 200 RF per tick. Okay, let's just look at this and then we'll see. We'll think about this in a little bit as well. Energy storage. Well, and then I probably have this energy storage, so we're probably going to have a private lazy optional of exact. Can you give feedback on Twitch now? What do you mean? Feedback on Twitch. Oh, you can give me feedback. I think so. Something like that. Yeah. I think. I don't know what it does. There's a feedback button now. I think you give feedback to the streamer, though. Or I don't know if it's to Twitch or the streamer, but, you know, either one of them is good. .empty. Yes. And then we'll just take... Why not? Oh, because I'm insane. Energy handler. Lazy energy handler. Where's this being used? This is being done here, so we're just going to say lazy energy handler equals lazy.of and then a supplier of the energy storage. Absolutely no worries. Works. Invalidate. Love it. Are you going to add every capability in the world to this one block? What do you mean? Item handling, fluid handling, energy handling. I don't see why you wouldn't have those three. That's like probably a normal machine, man. Just taking the last day to this off and it feels so good not to have to worry about exams. That's true, yeah. Well, you can't do everything with hot swapping. That is also true. Isododecahedron, thank you very... Wait, is that a thing? Dodeca... You are actually... Yeah, you are the isododecahedron. Well, thank you very much for the follow. It's not. What do you... It's not? Okay. Then it's not the dodecahedron, I guess. I made it up. Well, yes, but... Okay, that's... You know... I was... Okay, whatever. I don't know what I was thinking. You made it up? That's crazy. You made up a new platonic solid? I guess it's not a platonic. Ico dodecahedron, however, is a thing. All right. Count smart. Is that supposed to be like a personal attack or something? Husky? Curious item capability, please. In a block entity? Makes no sense. Equals energy storage dot write. Doesn't happen. Oh, would have been so good, wouldn't it? If it had just the NBT stuff. No, it has one though. Serialize NBT. Let's go. But that doesn't make any sense. Wait, what? I'm confused. NBT. This energy. Okay, but like, that makes no sense. We could add it to the tag. Tonin solid is what you call it when Isaac has a good... Oh, no. No. We're gonna do a put of this guy. Serialize NBT. Can't add it because cannot be applied to tag. What do you mean? Oh, I need a name. That would make a lot of sense, actually. Yes. Deserialize is the read method. Listen, okay? Don't even at me. Don't even at me. See? Everything working. Nexus Dino. Don't worry about it. You know, the good thing about... the good thing about... For a lot of you is that when you program and you do something really fucking stupid, no one knows about it. You can just do Control-Z and it's deleted. I, however, have to live with the fact that Luke is gonna make a freaking clip of it. And now he's actually going. You freaking... Okay, Luke. Goodbye and see you soon. Capability energy dot energy. Okay. What is okay, Albert? What is okay? Okay, quest. Okay. Energy. Well, it depends on if you upload the stupid code or not. Yet, who uploads stupid code? That only happens if you've already been working for 10 hours and you finally have to, and you realize, wait, I haven't been eating at the entire day, and you're like, whatever, I'm just gonna upload it, and then next day you come back to your work and you're like, oh no. I just checked that 5 gigabytes RAM, that's why I can't mod. Yeah, 5 gigabytes is definitely not, or like 6 gigabytes is not enough. Upload code so stupid that people correct it out of spite. I remember our conversation, Nano. I remember this. Well, if you don't realize it's stupid, hey, if it works and it's stupid, it ain't stupid. All right, so what I want to do is I just want to return the lazy energy handler.cast. Literally what I want to do. Love it. Absolutely adore this. I mean, that's like a really good start, right? I mean, let's go to Photoshop over here. And then we'll see now create rotation capability or something. Hello, Lurwin. Hello. Where does it open again? Why does it always open on the wrong freaking screen, man? Every freaking time. Okay, I want to... No, I don't want a new one. I want this one. All right, now. Rotation capability. So rotation capability in the sense that you can right-click it with a wrench and then it's going to rotate. Actually, not the bad idea. But I don't think I need a capability for that. I think that's just going to be something in the block use method and then changing the direction property. Shouldn't actually be hard to do. I want... This is in textures. Resource lives. Absolutely. So this is going to be my... Once again, the beautiful... honestly, why do I keep doing this? Let's just take this texture over here. Textures, GUI... We're gonna open it up. Yes, please. And then we're going to add it right here. So GUI with water. And there we go. Now we have it. All right. X equals true, return true. If else, false is false. Is that not stupid? Powering the machine with kinetic power? Oh, geez. How about a no on that one? I'll pass. Okay, how big was this? This was 16, right? Sure. But wrenching is also a good idea. Yes, I agree. It is also a good idea. That is true. Right, let's add... Yo, is this not, like, on the same level? But it's not that bad. Like, it doesn't look that bad, does it? Like, I didn't even realize it, and now that I've seen it, I don't think it's that bad. Okay, what did I say? Like, 64, right? I could maybe make it 64. Oh, wouldn't this be absolutely amazing? Yo, then it's... this is not quite right. This is right, though. Yes. Please. Please and thank you. Alright, let's get me a pencil tool. And then we're going to do this guy. And we're going to do this. The top one is going to be A. And then the rest is white. Oh, no, 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 no. No. I want to take the white. Yes, thank you. Get this guy, and then we have an energy storage. Yeah, I think it works. Let's just save this. Another thing about it is that rendering that stuff is gonna be insane again. We'll probably... Oh, does JI have something for that? Ooh, maybe we can steal from... Listen, we're not stealing, okay? We're just taking ideas. That's all we're doing. And also, they're under MIT license, so I can... As long as I properly say that it's their code, I can do whatever I want with it, by the way. So... Okay. So, energy. That's fine. Isn't that the same in programming? Does the energy one when 119 update? I'm not sure actually. I just don't at the moment. I just don't feel like it. We have to do it. Maybe next time. MIT license itself won't require attribution, but it's still a good thing to do. I mean, doesn't it? I'm actually going insane over here. I genuinely thought that it does. Oh, that's not even a... Wait, there's no license in there? Unbelievable, man. License and copyright notice. License works under different terms. Only requiring preservation. So it's like it's not really attribution, but you know. It pretty much is attribution. That's how I read it, let's say. But it's fine. I don't think crediting 50 plus mods for my mod isn't a good idea. Is a good idea. I don't know. I mean, listen, it depends, right? If I take like one line out of one method somewhere, honestly, it is doubtful that that is going to be something where people are going to be pissed. If you take like a class, no, okay. If you take like several classes, now you're getting into the territory where it's like, you know, not the nicest thing. But yeah. We have nothing here. Ice storage. Is there like a change over here? Ugh. I think I need to make a custom energy storage stuff over here. We have purple underscore LT0. Thank you very much for the follow. Everyone can write one specific line. Sure. This is what I'm saying. Like, it's hard to prove, like, whether or not something was taken from somewhere else. Because, especially in modding, in this case, almost everything is going to look the same, almost, like, anyway. Almost, at least. So, hey, you stole my line of code. This is why I have everything under the MIT license. Because I just don't even want to deal with the headache. Hey, it is Monday, Eddie. Indeed, modding Monday once more. Now, here comes the question. I want... This is bad. I probably need a custom energy storage thing. Okay, this is going to be... Give me energy again. No, this one. iEnergy. Give me this one. Now this has energy type.forge. Yo. That's also from Mechanism, isn't it? Yeah, of course it is. All right. Which do you think is the future of modding, Forge or Fabric? I mean, I would say that Forge is just so much more established. However, I will also say that Fabric is doing some pretty cool things. I think they have to get a few more things like sorted out, and then I think that Fabric can easily easily compete. I mean, I think it can already easily compete, but it really depends on what you want to do, right? This is the thing that's always the case. Ice strict handler. Loading long, bro. That's wild. Get out the door, please. No, I just... Listen, you asked for opinions. Also, Suspect, hello. We're doing great today. We're doing awesome. You prefer Kaupenjoe or Dark? Oh, God. So the issue I'm having right here is that we don't have an unchanged thing. That's what I'm already thinking about, because we probably need to send messages once again to synchronize it. Because I don't think that this is synchronized on itself. Like, how could it? Yeah. Why would it be synchronized? So we would probably have to synchronize it ourselves. So, you know, we probably somehow need to do something rather here. Let's just do stuff. Why not? First things first. Let's just make a public void set energy. And this is just going to be an integer. So this is just going to be the energy over here. Set energy level. How about that, right? And then we're just going to say energy storage. Storage dot set energy. Nope. We want to receive energy. Okay. So that's also a bit of a bummer. So you also made a custom energy stuff. Custom energy class. Yeah, I think that makes the most sense, honestly. Let's just do it. What are we doing today? Energy! You need to make a custom energy storage. Alright, we'll do it. This is one of those things where it's like, why hasn't Forge changed this already? Just made the, you know, unchanged, stuff like that, and then be fine. But no, doesn't work. Okay, so this is going to be util... Sure. This is going to be the Kaupenjoe storage. Because you can't tell me what I can name my class. I don't give a frick. This makes no sense at all. But it doesn't matter. What do I want to override? I want to override these two methods, I think. No, I want to override this method. And I want to receive energy. I just want to override these two methods, and that's a frick load of constructors. I mean, I don't really need to use it. No, I'm just gonna keep it like this. I think it makes sense to have all of this available. Yeah, and I'm literally just going to make this. I think it makes the most sense to make this an abstract class. We could. Is this a thing that exists? No, it's not. Public abstract void on energy changed, right? And then we're just not going to implement it. And then what we're just going to do is Forge only changes the things they shouldn't. Well, I mean, sometimes. And then we're just going to say on energy changed. We're going to call it right here. And then we're going to call it right here. This doesn't... I don't like this. Like, listen. I know that this is kind of a... Not the... but I feel like this should be the case, right? Also, it shouldn't always happen, actually. It should only happen if... What are you returning? You're returning the energy received. So if the energy received is 0, then you should not do anything. So we actually want something more complicated over here. Okay. Energy... No. Receive energy? Yeah, sure. That's okay. If receive energy is equal to 0... No, it's if it's not equal to 0... Yeah, then we want to do it. Send a packet in receive and extract methods. Yeah, I want to make it a little more... this is what I will do, but I'm going to do it in an on-energy method over here. Like, this is literally what I'm about to be doing. If you make something so you can use it for more than one use case, you will need it now. It's easier to make a library out of it, you realize very often. This is what I'm doing. This is why I'm not just adding the packet into the account energy storage class, but I'm going to actually add it in a anonymous class, which we're going to make in just a moment. That's the general idea. This is why I'm trying to make it a little bit more optimized in this case, or not optimized, but, you know, extracted energy. Yes, return extracted energy, and then we're going to say if extracted energy is unequal to 0, which probably would be the case, right? So this is probably the same idea, absolutely. So if this is the case, then what we want to do is then we want to call the on energy changed. Kaupenlib. No, I thought about it, but honestly, it just doesn't make any sense. And now what we can do is we can make this a count energy storage over here, right? Count energy storage, and we only have to override the on energy change method, and now we can add a client stuff. See, this makes way more sense in my mind, doing it like this, instead of hard coding it into here. Because now we can also add other stuff to the on energy change method. It's the same as this one. Do we have a set changed over here? Yeah, we do. So we can first of all call this. Alright, Arch, but thank you so much for joining us, though. Yeah, and then we can do almost the same thing with the fluid. We can probably... Yeah, okay, this is in networking. Packets. Let's just get this packet sync energy to client. Absolutely. Right, we're not going to synchronize this. We're going to just synchronize one integer. Energy. That's all we're doing. Literally everything that's happening here, but that's already enough to be dangerous. Because that's exactly what's happening here. Yes, energy. Then we're just going to read an integer. 2 bytes is just going to write an integer. Someone give me a random number for seed. I'm going to give you a random number. 1, 1, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. Oh, well, that was quick. There you go. You also get one from me. Buffer dot energy. Yes, if it remains the same. Oh, wait, I still need the block pause, though. Still need the freaking block pause because we want to properly do it. Do we need the block pause? I don't know, but we'll see. You're gonna be used both. That's great. I pressed a few number keys. Yeah, that would probably do it. And read block pause, and then we'll do. I think that's too long. I think so too. Is this for a custom structure? Because then it would definitely be too long. Right, pause, which is pause. Okay, if this is the case, then we're just going to call the set energy method, and then I can also add that as well. There you go. That is exactly... No, just for a world seed. Okay, fair enough. Public void set energy level. And then we're going to say this is going to be an integer. Int energy level, sure. This dot energy storage dot, and then we can do is... is this going to work? This should not throw any errors, right? No. No? No, it doesn't. Okay. Then what I can do is I can just make a public int set energy. Now, does this make sense? I don't know. This dot energy equals whatever this says. Abra! All right. On you. A little bit of hydration. Oh, you're gonna make a Minecraft map with a Kaupen Easter egg. Let's go. I love to hear that. That is pretty cool. And then we're gonna return energy. Sure. I mean, why not? Right, set energy. That makes sense. And then we can say dot set energy level, and then we can also get it. So this is just going to be an int. Going to be the get energy level. Now, the really interesting thing, I mean, that's not too bad. I actually think that we're gonna be fine. This dot energy storage dot energy get energy stored. Yeah, absolutely. I'll return this, of course. Return this. There we go, man. That should pretty much do it. So then we can do set energy level to energy. And then here, the same thing. Just setting this. Absolutely. This... There is no... oh yeah, of course. There's nothing in my mind where this does not work. We have Quinn actually found. Thank you very much for the follow. Exciting stuff over here. Some energy handling. Man, I mean, this is actually awesome. Now we still need to do this. So we still need to do the energy. Packet energy. Energy. Network direction. Absolutely, that's the same one. This is also almost... it's going to register on its own. And then we just need to say... Mod messages. Send to clients. New. Energy sync. With... What is fluid, by the way? That is a... wait. This is not fluid? Oh, because it's... yes, because we're inside of this. So I could just say with this energy, you don't count me, you just... to net register message? I don't understand. You can just do net.register. Oh, you can, like in here, yeah. Net register message. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's easier at first glance, so I'm not sure about that. I'm gonna go eat some lunch, see you in 50 minutes. Well, enjoy your meal, Dark. Enjoy your meal. Get energy level. I kind of am like, get energy capacity. I kind of want to do this as well. Just so that I have it. I think this is just going to make this a little bit nicer to use. Get... Can I not get the capacity? Get max energy stored. Yeah, okay. This is not a good name for this method. Why is this not called get energy capacity? Get max energy stored? Like, I get it, but also... Ugh. Should I make myself a pizza or something with chicken? Well, I'll say this. Chicken is probably going to be a little bit more healthy. But pizza does sound pretty good. I'm not going to lie. Like, pizza is pretty awesome. Depends on what pizza it is, I guess. Also, how long would it take to fill this up? 300 ticks. 15 minutes. 15 seconds. A little like... I have 3 different kinds of pizzas. Come on, give it to me. What do you have? Chicken schnitzel. Oh, schnitzel. Oh, schnitzel is freaking awesome, man. I actually think that this is literally all we need to do. Margarita, tunfish, and something else. Ah, yeah, menu. Darker! What is going on, man? Hello, hello. Currently, we are adding custom energy to our block entity, and it's going pretty freaking awesome, I have to say. So you come in at a perfect time. Now I would need to look at the energy renderer. You think something like this exists? I mean, it does. Now the real question is whether or not it exists for any type of mod. Oh, actually someone has it. Their toaster, amazing. Vanilla revamps. Is this a MIT license? There's no license. It's always great. Status bar plugin. Status bar plugin. Rune light. Doesn't seem like that's a thing. Third one is just Schinken. I mean, it's pretty good. Schinken pizza is also pretty nice, but I understand. Alright, this is not quite what I have. Maybe something is gonna be in just enough items? Maybe. Energy. Let's just search for energy. Literally no code. Rajhin, thank you very much for the follow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, energy Zotrach. Okay, you know what? Let's just take a look at mechanism. Why not? Mechanism. I mean, I already have it. I want the energy renderer. Does anything like this exists? No. Okay. Das renderer include stuff. I want anything from mechanism. Oh, I literally saw it. Wait a second. I literally saw energy stuff. We have Twitch Pablo00. Thank you very much for the follow. What do we have? I wanted to take a look at the renderer stuff. Pablo. Yes. It is Pablo. Bro, can we update our mod to 119 mod without creating a new workspace? Of course you can do that. I'm going to I'm going to show you in just a moment. This is it. Energy cube render. Yeah. Would be some sort of GUI component, probably, yes. I think, okay, just let's do one thing at a time. So suspect, what you can just do in theory is, wait a second, I have a tutorial on this. Have you not seen this before? Let me like quickly take a look at this. This is under here. Update. This one. I literally have this as a tutorial without making a new workspace. It's 44 minutes long because that's how it just is what it is, but yeah. Also, look, yes, you did. Why is it 44 minutes long? You do realize that updating from one major Minecraft version to another is a major task, right? It's not, yeah, of course, it's changing one value, and then all of the changes that happen to the code don't work anymore. Luke, what are you talking about? You know how much it changed? Yeah, exactly. You don't. That's what changed. The entire text class has changed. For Forge 119, the entire world generation changed. What also changed is that there's some change in the renderer. Kaupen tells us life story in that video. That's why it's... No, it's not. Random source also changed, yes. Wait, I'm waiting for that time to make a new workspace. No renderer. No, we're gonna do rendering, man. There's no way. Biome loading event? Yeah, exactly. So the entire Forge world gen is different now. But it's actually pretty robust at this point. Block entity without level renderer. Amazing. Okay, this... Lauren said that it should be a GUI component. Some sort of fluid. Oh, God, no. I started with Unreal Engine and it's glorious. That's kind of nice. That's pretty cool. GUI energy cube. Yeah, that's probably it here. Something like that. GUI security tab. Energy gauge. Forge don't come up with major changes. It's just PRs on the repository. So this time we can have a custom biome. We were able to have a custom biome for a long time in a custom dimension, just not on the overworld. Now it should be possible-ish, I think. However, the big issue there is that I always had an issue with the customization of the biome. Adding the biome was never the issue, because you can use TerraBlender for that, absolutely no worries. The real issue was the amount of, like, freaking... I just wasn't able to customize it. And, like, what do you... Like, okay, you can add a biome, but it's going to look like just a vanilla biome, but it's your custom biome. Doesn't make any sense. So, that's why that happened. You're immune to that. Interesting. AWS. Oh, Jesus. Alright, let me, No, let me get back to here. There really isn't anything for energy, is there? No, there really isn't. Okay. So we're probably gonna have to do something for ourselves. Oh, Lord. Can you tell me how to change grass color? I have no idea. Apparently, it shouldn't be that difficult. There's like a color changer, but I have not I've not done it myself, so I can't tell you. Transmission type. Energy info handler. I mean, it's just like, it just seems like a lot. Gauge. GUI texture element. It's just too much. Just DM me when you get it, please. I won't DM you because I don't DM and I don't do questions in DM. And also, at the moment I'm not interested in it, so I'm not taking a look at it. So you can just I suggest asking a question in the relevant help chat. That would probably be the best. You don't even have me friended on Discord. That is exactly right, because as the rules say, I only friend people if there's like anything that is, you know, associated with this. That's important. Or business, exactly. Okay, how about we take a look at I'm literally blanking right now. King Lemming. Is that even his name? Am I losing my mind? No, I'm not. Losers. There he is. IE? What is IE? Industrial engineering? Am I crazy? Industrial evolution? What is IE? Immersive engineering. Well, that almost worked. Immersive engineering. LMAO. Come on, man. What is the license? Blue's license. You can look at the code, draw inspiration. Alright. I think this makes sense. None of this is fine. This is all fine. Hello, Turdy. Welcome back. Still on our quest to add things. Energy. This repository. Energy helper. Capacitor block entity. Charging block station. Energy renderer. No, nothing. Energy. Okay, whatever. Let's just see. So, immersive engineering client. GUI, probably. Energy. Some sort of energy. Energy. No energy. Com has no friends. He only has business. I mean, look, okay? Like, this is only half true. Energy info area, yo. Is an info area, okay. I have no idea how I got this to work. That's always great. Oh wait, it's not even that much. Yo, it's not that much. I think we're gonna just take this and see if it works, and then we're just going to say thank you so much, Blue Sunrise. That would be wild. If that's actually gonna work, that would be amazing. Let's do... I mean, I have to refactor all of this anyway at some point. Wait, which one was this? This is the info area. Alright, this is going to be the new class info area. Scared the hell out of you that something worked. Yeah, that is... Welcome to programming. Now you are a real programmer. You've been programming for, you know... Think about it like this. If you ever program for like 30 minutes, right? Without testing it out. And then you start it. And then it works. Deadpan 2001. Thank you very much for the follow. That's going to be... Oh. Listen. To you, Deadpan. To you. Posture check as well. Man. Now we're going here. We'll do it. So what I'll do is I'll also get some more to drink over here because my drink is almost empty. Build it up all the way here. Let's do. Let's see. Me, who programmed 3 days without testing just for it to not work. Listen, that's too long to program for and not test it. Unless you're doing something like very specific, but doing that is not a smart idea. Fluid info area. I think it was fluid, right? It was energy. I don't even know how I got the fluid, to be honest, but okay, that's fine. This is okay. I'm okay with this. Energy. Oh, someone I was, you know why I was on fluid? Because of this. Hello, Dark. You're new on the stream. All right. Hello there. Could you please say hi? Hello, Dark. Coding without testing. Can't even imagine it. That's one mod every time I add an item. It's true. It's like, it's a smart thing to do, actually. But, you know. I understand. What is this? Wait, am I crazy? Energy. Oh, my lord. Energy. Hey, we finally fixed it. Let's go. What is it drawing, by the way? I'm a little bit confused over here. Because I'm not quite sure what it draws. A draw. Fill gradient. Oh, it's just... there's a fill gradient? Whoa. That was a good 150 spent. Amazing. Did someone say modding Monday? Indeed, Ricey, someone said modding Monday. Quinn just absolutely wrecking you. Wow. Okay, now I just need to know how this has been used, and then also we'll do the following. No, that's not by them. That's not by them. This is by them. There you go. And then we'll also add this. And then we'll also add Modifizierungsmontag. Ah, love it. Just home from final exam and saw ping. Honestly, isn't that absolutely amazing coming back with that? Do you know about the game test framework that Mojang added in 1.18? I do not, actually. No, I have not seen that before. Someone was here first and their name starts with an R. It is true. It was Real Dark. The Real Dark Studios. Think about that. The Real Dark Studios. So, Dark, I have a question. Does this mean... is this like the real? Is this because something like the real Donald Trump? You know, like you're the real one? Or is it Real Dark Studios? You know what I mean? Wasn't Kaupenjoe here first. Listen, this is a question of, you know, the goose and the egg, right? Which came first? Or the chicken and the egg? I don't even... whatever. And the question is... I don't know. What came first? Dark or Kaupenjoe? I think Kaupenjoe came first, but, you know. Yeah, and then I just need to know where this has been used or how it's been used, but this is, you know. Oh, you're just making a new one over here. That's... make a fermenter screen. And then you just call it. Alright, so it's like a little... oh, okay, I understand this. Yes, that actually is a pretty cool way of doing it. Awesome things about modding is every inch of code that agrees with the EULA must be open source. Get some light, get some tan. First message ever in Twitch chat. That is not what happened. Okay. But then the question is, what happens here in this repository? Absolutely. You don't know half how happy I am. That's nice. That's very nice to hear, man. That is, fills me with a joy. Or about where is it used, though? It's not used here. I've been at a holiday, World Friday and Saturday, entire week. 35C. Gee, oh my god. We had 35C over here, and I can tell you that 35C in Germany is something else, man. That is something else. I can tell you that. Okay, well, let's then just try this out. Let's just add this. New, literally just like new energy info area. What do I have to pass in even? Energy and Min-max. Oh, height and width. Oh, this is width is going to be 16 and height is going to be 64. I've already decided that. And then min, I don't know what that means. Where the positions are, but then I'm like, oh, nice. So this is,
I shall lead you with honor.
oh, Carbon Printer. Thank you very much for the follow. That's a great name. I love it. Honestly amazing. Would probably be somewhere around here, right? So like probably this pixel actually, and then the width and length is probably down and right. So this is going to be 155 and 13, 152, but it's fine. Coal writer, you mean? Carbon printer, coal writer. Wouldn't a carbon printer literally just be a pencil? You know, because you write with carbon and you print something. Okay, okay. I'm gonna see myself out now. Yes. Oh, thank the Lord. Thank God you were kind enough to say yes. Menu. I can get the block entity and I can just say get. Oh wait. It wants the energy storage, right? Let's just expose it then. Why not? Whatever. Let's just make it public. What's the worst that can happen? Just make it public. There you go. Energy storage. Energy storage. Absolutely. Bam. Now we still need to draw this somehow. So like, this is a GUI component. So I don't want to see how a GUI component is like added. Render system dot whatever. Is there ever a new GUI component that is made? Or do I have to like, no, where am I? Oh Jesus, okay, there I am. Dot draw. Oh, that's it. You know, Fabric has data gen. Wait, it has data gen? Are you sure? Because that would be amazing. I'm not sure if I have to make a new one for each time. But we're just gonna do it like this. We're gonna just say a new info area. Well, I mean, without drawing it, I guess. And then we're just going to say this guy dot draw with the post stack. Yo, if this works first time, oh, okay. Listen, guys, it's back to some gambling again. We're gonna make a prediction over here. Is the energy... Okay, listen. We're gonna need to be very specific about what is going to happen, okay? The thing that I want to predict right now is the following. Luke, you're gonna see the code. Let me first explain what you need to... What is actually being asked. Is the energy going to work? You should draw it before the tooltip is rendered, by the way. Yes, I guess. Also, maybe not in the labels. That's probably also a thing, right? Because like I don't know where the energy area would be done actually. Because the labels are... No, wait. The energy area. This is both. This is both the label and the thing that is going to be done there. So I don't know where I would put it. I'm just gonna put it into labels and we're gonna see. Okay, so this is the entire package. Okay, we're gonna ask... Let me actually think about this. You know what we can do? We can also do different levels of what it works. But that's not quite right, right? Is energy going to work? Okay, we're just gonna have, is energy going to work? Yes and no. And it's going to be the following thing, okay? Yes means that I can insert energy into my custom block entity. And it's going to display in the screen some way. If it's not aligned, that's fine. If I can't hover over it, that's still fine. But something changes when I put energy into it. That is the thing. You have 2 minutes to think about this. Right? So if I put energy into with some sort of machine, then it should somehow show something on the menu screen. Something. Anything, right? It doesn't matter, but as soon as something moves, then bam. Oh man, there's a lot. The believers. Oh, there's a doubter. There's a doubter. Oh, that's a big one for the believers, man. Darker, I already have networking set up, my friend. This is it. Bro, why can I bet points is disabled in my region? Yes, Luke, it is. You're correct. You can just say yes or no, but you can't put in couldn't put in points. Listen, your government has to protect you from gambling because that's gambling, I guess. Gambling with points that mean nothing, you know. but you know, something like an actual gambling site is literally this: points on Twitch, gambling on other sites. That's how it works. Yeah, gambling air. Let's just start it and see what happens. 250 points on yes. Oh god, 30. Oh my god. That's crazy, man. Sad thing is I am legally allowed to gamble. See, this is the thing, right? If it's like for underage accounts, I would actually say, you know what, that's okay. I would be like, for underage accounts, you know, no. But I don't know. I find it stupid. I find it really fucking stupid. Like it's an overcorrection. Like there's a lot of things, especially like in video games, where you know there's like a part of gambling in there. But you know, for example, with things like the what is it? The whole loot table thing. I see a lib called Fabric Data Gen V1, so it's there. Yo, that's great. What are your opinions on GitLab? I have no opinions, I believe. Okay, so first of all, nothing should happen right now. I'm not going to hover over it yet, just yet. Should I? Okay, nothing is happening. Now, this is not the worst thing, because maybe it's not yet drawn. Okay, maybe it only works if it's drawn. So we're going to get an energy cube of some sort over here. Let's just get like a creative one. And then just gonna get an energy, what is this called? This would be called a cable, I believe. There you go. Now, first of all, if it doesn't connect, then yes, already lost. Okay, connects. This is a good thing. This is a good thing for the believers. Okay, listen. Oh, okay. This is going to be output, okay. Okay, now, still nothing has happened. If I set this cable down and I go in, something here should move. If it does, the believers win. If it doesn't, then the doubters win. Listen, guys. I mean, this is clearly working. That is a yes. That is definitely a yes. Like, look at it. It works. Now, it's one pixel gone, and that's it. But it works. I am just as surprised as some of you, but there you go. I love how 83% said yes. Incredible, man. Incredible. You all believe in me. Ah, isn't that nice? Well, enjoy your, what is it, like 10 points or whatever, something like that. It's not that good, but, you know, it was 500 to 100. But, yeah, that's pretty good. I always doubt unless I can be 100% certain. I understand. I mean, you know. Now I just want something that happens when we hover over this and then bam, done. Wait, you won 300? No, you won back. Okay, but you invested 250 and you got 300 back, so you actually gained 50. But that's pretty, I mean, listen, that's nothing to scoff at. I believe in Blue's code, to be honest. Okay, yeah. Just because I copied stuff over. I got 132. Yeah. I mean, you still have profit, so that's still pretty good. Fill tooltip. Ah, so this is never called. This is probably it. Tooltip.add. Kind of weird. Oh wait, can I just not just do Okay, then I know, I think, what I should do. I should add this here, I believe. And then I should add this here. So I should just say energy area dot fill tooltip. Yo. And then this is the list of tooltips. List of components. I'm not quite sure how that would work. Could become rich. If you port this to 119, your fluids are gonna have a lot of errors. I know. The fluids are is a completely new system. Also, one of the reasons why I am not updating just yet, because I still have to take a look at the fluid stuff. To be honest, so I want points. Kaupen cat ears aren't free. I love how everyone is extremely excited for the Kaupen cat ears. It's actually insane. I love it. I actually love it. Oh man, this is amazing. I love this so much. Fill tooltip. Right. The draw area is not going to do anything with the tooltips, right? No, it's not. Okay, so this is literally about the... Back in a minute, putting in the pizza. Yes, do it. Are the cat ears actually real? I mean, I have not yet bought them. But yes, what I will do is I will buy them probably soon-ish. It's going to be a business expense, by the way. And then we're going to see. I don't think fill tooltip actually renders anything. Well, it's kind of weird, right? Because, like, it should do... it should render the energy stored / max. What is... Oh, IF. Interesting. Oh. Just change to RF. Makes no sense. Right. Also, next thing I want to do... Wait a second. I want to do one less for both of them. It'll be 151 and 111. Never mind, my oven isn't hot enough yet. Oh, are you preheating the oven? I never preheat my oven. Well, couldn't I just do, like, this then? Like, couldn't I just change this? Because that's the real cool thing about the fact that I can do stuff like this. So this is gonna be, wait, is this? This is gonna be, and this, no. That's not right then. Wait, no. So you're gonna call this, and then the fill tooltip over area is this. The add is just going to be a boolean. But what I could do is I could just make this... Oh, this is an override. Yeah, but where's fill tooltip called? I'm confused. Just do a git push rewards with points. I don't even know what that means. All you had to do was preheat the damn oven. Kaupen. I have not... I don't do it. So... And I know. And what happened is I burnt the house down. I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry. List of... Well, it's kind of weird, because, like, the render tooltip, in theory, what I would imagine is, like... Couldn't I, like, literally just do the same thing to be, like... To just change this? And then just, like, return this? Yes. I'm just going to change this up. You pass the list of tooltips to the fill tooltips, and then it gets added. Yeah, exactly, but... I mean... Yeah, but it doesn't... Get tooltips from item. It still doesn't make any sense. I'm just gonna do this. I got jump scared by a link. I closed the tab at light speed. I think that jump scares are not only the cheapest form of scaring, but also I hate them. I just create a new list with an energy component count. Oh, I love how frustrated you are, Darker. Listen, okay? It's currently very hot. I don't know why. What does the weather say? It's only 16 freaking degrees. How the fuck is it so hot in here then? Man. I don't know. It's crazy. I don't like jump scares. I just don't like it. I don't like horror games either. Does this mean I would never play them? Oh, absolutely not. Like, I would... Exactly the difference. I have my window closed for your viewing pleasure. I'm gonna open it now. I'm gonna open the window. Give me a sec. All right. Whew. All right. See, the issue is I'm in the oven. Ah, that's why it's so hot. No. Stop the pizza. All right. It's okay. I'm good. I'm good. I have the window open now. Gonna be fine. Realize I turned on the heater. Okay, let's just do a list of components over here. It's gonna return this, and we're just literally going to then yeah, okay. So I want this, and then in the area over here, I literally just want to return this. List.of. Energy doesn't exist. Well, I mean, then let's just do it here. It doesn't matter. What am I doing? Return. All right, in the info area, this one is just going to get gone. Yes. And now this, we can do this. There you go. No, but like, that's a list of components though, right? Like, I'm not going crazy. It's definitely a list of components. Ah, wait a second. I'm sorry. There you go. No. What is this? Am I crazy? Am I going actually insane? Am I going insane? Yes, we don't need this. Sorry. There you go. Listen. This is okay. Now, the position here. Stupid ad. I sadly can't change this because Twitch requires me. You know what the crazy thing is? Luke, when you're back, tell me about it. It's great, right? Because like, oh, when you're back, tell me about it. It's like, okay, we're just gonna have to take a look at this. So X and Y are going to be he's above the screen. Wait, I'm back already. All right. So Luke, the thing is that I can also, at the moment, I have 30 seconds of ads every hour, I believe, something like that. You could also subscribe. If you have a Twitch Prime subscription that you are not using, then you can also use that. Alternatively, you can also subscribe. Whatever the case may be, though. All right, that's fair enough. But I mean, you start working now. No, I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding. No, but what you could, in theory, think about is, right now I have every hour 30 seconds. Now, if I were to do 1 minute 30 seconds every hour, I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I think so, I would actually get like 120% more ad revenue from Twitch. So I might do it, but I'm not sure yet, because it would kind of, I don't know. It kind of does ruin the experience. I want you to get money. Well, thank you so much, but, But I've not yet done it yet, so I'm not sure about it. Also, why would I need the mouse? I was just about to say, like, why would I need this? I don't need this. Right? Let's just rename this to Get Tooltips. And then we don't need to pass this in. Now the real question is still X and Y. What does this mean? What does this mean? Minus X and Y. Yo, I'm literally losing my mind right now. Because it's hard-coded, you freaking craziness. Okay, I was literally about to say, how does this work? Jesus. It's 55? How often do you want to hydrate? Is this a threat? Or a challenge? Both. Listen, Harrow, don't waste your points. Think about the Kaupenjoes. Think about the Kaupenjoes. The offset is going to be... So this one was 55.45. Absolutely. And this is 152.13. IntelliJ every time I'm opening pre-download shares reduce indexing time. You have to let it go through. So in theory, this should actually now render the tooltip as well. Yo. You want another gamble time? Another gamble time? Dark, I'm gonna do that in just a moment. Is the tooltip going to work when hovering? So, this is gonna be 1 minute for y'all. There you go. So the question is, if I hover over the area where the energy is it going to display the tooltip? You know, how much energy is in there. Also, dark, there you go. Honestly, I should literally just stream every day so that I can get hydrated enough every day. It's big brain play. Oh man. That's amazing. Is the right position also relevant? Well, I said that it is. Does the tooltip like display when I hover over? I love how I wrote hovering. That's amazing. Yes. So the general area has to be correct. If it's like off by like 1 or 2 pixels, I'm not gonna complain about it. But you know, it shouldn't be. I shouldn't be clicking on here and then like the tooltip is up here. Oh, we'll see. Did literally everyone say yes anyway? No, we have a little bit of no. Okay, fair enough. So it's gonna be interesting. So let's see. So nothing happened. Oh, it's already working. It's not quite right. So you can see the area is not high enough, but it works. So it does work. I mean, what am I supposed to say here? It pretty much works, right? Now we're just going to try out whether or not it's going to also fill up. That's weird. Well, it works 50%. Choose outcome. Well, it's gonna be a yes. I'm sorry, but this is. I mean, it worked. It worked, and this is a little weird, but okay. I didn't lose my 200 points. Let's go. Okay, so that's kind of strange. And then also it didn't save the energy, but that's a thing for another time. This is because of the height of the tool. X and Y is above the area. The offset is right. Oh, because of the renderer. I'm like actually going insane. Okay, let's just duplicate this again. Int width, int height. That's why. All right, now what we can do is we can just pass in. This is width 1664, I believe. Yes, this is exactly right. Amazing. Someone tell me where the exit is in Discord. What do you mean the exit in Discord? So right click quit Discord. Now that should be fine. However, it doesn't save, I believe. I posted a picture. Oh my god, 156 general chat messages? Are you all crazy? I'm not gonna read that. Are you crazy? I've used 55 of 6 this month. Started the stream with 0.5. Oh lord. Yeah, okay, it doesn't save it. It doesn't save it properly. But it is filling up.
A wealthy patron has supported the people.
Yo, Darker! Darker, thank you so much for the gifted sub to Luke. Now Luke no longer has to be there and sad. Alright, Hero. Thank you so much for joining us, and until next week, or possibly Wednesday. Who knows? Listen, Darker just was not able to see you suffer for so long. Alright, so that does work, but it doesn't save it. But that's honestly, listen, I'm already like, I'm actually already really happy with this. Someone give Kaupenjoe a sub. Kick W. We already had like, you know, what do you mean? I have a sub per default. Streamer. Now Luke's Souls belongs to me. See, I'm already a 1 month sub. The streamer's already automatically subbed to themselves at tier 3. It's automatic. Streamer viewer. But only for 3 days, okay. Alright, so this actually works out very well. And then we need to look at this again, because for whatever reason the draw area is wrong. Why is that the case? I don't know. Oh, because... don't know. New area. 150. I'm not quite sure. Okay, let's do some hot swapping again. Our favorite hobby. Well, on the draw method. Well, and then also I think I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller in the future, but that's gonna be okay. But this is pretty good, man. This is awesome. Luke is very happy now with the... You can also do Kaupenjoe Devilish. The greatest. The greatest of emotes. Okay? The one and only that you need. This is the one and only you're ever gonna need. Exactly. Dude, I love those so much, man. They're just too good. Just too awesome. I don't know. That's why I love Unreal. No need to manage this kind of nonsense of Java. Only C++. Well, we'll see. Now add concatenators. At some point. You can use what? You can. Oh god. Oh no, what have you done, Darker? Oh no. Okay, I'm still like a little bit... Oh, I know why. Because it's going to use this probably. But that still doesn't make any sense. Actually, it does make a lot of sense. This should be plus X and Y once again. So this is going to be plus this, actually. It's yeah, it's a little fiddly, but it's okay. Plus this. So we're gonna do these. Okay, this is also height. So that actually belongs to the Y level, please. And then this belongs to here. Why did you do the screen? You have to do the top left corner. Now that I'm subbed, you also get more points. That is correct. That is indeed correct. No. Wanna... What? Wanna build? Oh, control. There you go. Get H0, come. Well, I mean... At least you're happy. There we go. So that's a little bit better. So let's do 1 to the right and 2 down, I would say. So this is going to be 1, 2 down is going to be 9, and 1 to the right would be... No. This is 13, and 1 to the right is 2. So this is exactly it. Control F9. And now have more souls to offer the end. 30! Thank you very much for the subscription. Thank you. Man, we're getting awfully close to the live tutorial. We're gonna have a hype train soon. I don't know. I think they're too far away. Yo, look at this. Now it's working. Now it's the entire area. I actually think that it makes sense to display this on the entire area where, like, the energy would be displayed, right? What do you mean we still need 10? That's a lot. I don't know. You can also say that it's, you know, I don't know, like 60% or something like that. And if you say it like that, then it's pretty good. Yo, this is great. Look at this. I love this. That's so good. 3/5 there. That's pretty good. 3/5 also sounds good. Okay, so now it doesn't save, but honestly, it shouldn't be the craziest thing to do. Yeah, honestly, what's really fucking awesome is that because we had so much stuff done with the fluid stuff, it was way easier to get the energy to work now because we had the messages set up, all of that. That's not great. That's a gradient. What do you mean a gradient? You don't like the gradient, Lurwin? You didn't like the gradient? What did you want instead? Come change to FE. Forge energy. You're right, actually. You're right. We're gonna change it to FE. Well, it's Forge energy. It's better. Yeah, you're right. That's a word pun. That's not great. That's gradient. I'm sorry, Lurman. I did not. I'm so sorry. I have not even. I wasn't able to get that. My first idea, lol. I love how both Luke and Dark only got the KE out for the KEKW. So it's this guy over here, the energy stuff. In theory, this is just going to be a deserialize. I mean, probably like there's nothing there. No, I kind of have a inkling that this is going to be cold. Yeah, I kind of had a feeling of that. Can't I just do NBT dot? No, I want to do like energy storage dot set energy NBT dot get energy. This is not gonna okay, but I can just do an int then. I mean, why then do all of this insanity? Because it's literally gonna be like get energy stored. It's just gonna be an integer anyway. There you go. Oh, not today, my friend, not today. Yo, that was really fast. That was fast, wasn't it? They came in, buy stuff, follow us. I'm like, not happening. I switched to a different tab. Fair enough. NBT is to persist things in the world. Yes, NBT is basically the thing that is saving after you save the world. And now I'm just setting the energy here, so that's good. I was not here. Feels bad, man. Come on. It's gonna be okay, Lurwin. You are now gonna be here for our working energy system. It's a non-binary tag. It actually is called non-binary tag, right? Isn't it literally called that? Like, isn't that like not even the joke, but it actually is that? Yes. Like, it's not a joke. It actually is that. Isn't it? Or what is it? What does NBT stand for? Currently working on a game that builds things upon voice commands. So you talk to the game and then things happen in the game. That's also pretty cool, actually. That's a pretty cool idea. By any chance, have you seen the game that you control with your eyes? That is insane. That is so cool. That is actually crazy. Because, so what happens is you have to have a webcam, and then if you close your eyes, then like scenes just skip away. That is crazy cool to me. Oh, already saved. There you go. Already works. 444. Let's save and reload, and there you go. I mean, that is awesome. Yo! It's an accessibility feature. I have a friend that needs that. That's also pretty cool. I think that the amount of accessibility features at this point that are being added are crazy. Like in a good way, obviously. However, I do sometimes think that it's hard for indie developers, especially, right? Because it's like when you have such limited resources, it's sometimes very hard to make the calculation. Okay, are we gonna like add this or not? So this is sometimes why it's a shame. But you know, the bigger studios, I mean, they're definitely doing it. They're definitely doing it, which is pretty freaking awesome, man. Yeah, now we just need to see whether or not there's energy in there, and if there is, then we're using it, and then we're done. You sell souls in the black market, so so you have to basically get your positive karma somewhere else, right? So you're already selling souls, and now it's like Okay, at least I'm doing accessible games. Okay, come on, man. I mean, so when Judgment Day comes, you can be like, listen, at least I did that, right? It's like I play with a few souls over there, but you know, come on, man. Oh man, that's great. That's amazing. Everything is balanced, perfectly balanced, as all things should be. Right, we're gonna do this. Has recipe? Yes. And then we're only gonna go in here if has enough energy. Yes. And then we're gonna say private, static, boolean, has enough energy. And then we're just going to say, yeah, I don't think so. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this on the... Okay, guys, you gotta help me for a moment. Can you remember in different machines, right? In any mod, do the RF per tick change when you craft different things? Or is the only thing that changes the amount of time that it takes to craft, therefore not changing the RF per tick, but the RF in total? So the RF per tick is always the same, but maybe the amount of ticks change that it's going to need to craft, right? That might be the thing. Generation changes, though. Yes. Okay. Okay, I understand. Then I can do it the way that I want to, but making it take more RF. Yes. Okay, because then I want to do it on the has recipe over here. Because then I want to add it to the recipe. I want to add the... Ooh, now we're going to get interesting. Interesting. Because now I'm thinking about using the max progress based on the recipe that it's using. Oh. You know what? We're just going to say 200 RF per tick and we're going to be fine. Or like 100, let's say. Something like that. It's going to be enough. It's going to be fine. Yeah. Just going to be the same for everything and then we're going to be okay. Has enough energy. Nope. Has enough energy. Entity. I like it a lot. Making a custom recipe tabs is really fun. Yeah. Dark, what? You gotta go. Oh no. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us though, and see you next time, hopefully. All right. So depends. Some do that. Some don't. Thermal machines did it back in the day. Got an ingot. Use less RF than a pulverizing ore. All right. Okay. Fair enough. Yeah. Okay. See you Wednesday. All right. See you on Wednesday. If it has enough energy, it's just entity.energystorage.getEnergyStored is bigger or equal than to 100. Yes, that is basically every tick. And then what we want to do is I want to say that when you craft the item, no, the progress is going to increase. And then also you're going to do, and then we're just going to make another, just make it a Boolean. That's fine. This is going to be a extract energy from an entity over here, this entity in particular. Yes. Entity.getEnergy storage extract energy. And we're going to say 100 false. Because we don't want to simulate it. And then this is going to be a... No, this is just a void. Sorry, there you go. I'm just going to say... Oh, Jesus. Extract energy, and this is going to be the entity. Some green locks just appeared next to my class in IntelliJ. Do you know what that means? Do you mean like this? Oh, that doesn't have it. I don't know. Yeah, like your custom classes? I don't know what that means. Try to see if you can Google the answer, because I don't know. And I would Google myself as well. Oh, you put extract twice. Oh. Darker. You just saved me about 30 minutes of debugging. Because I would not have caught that. I would have been like, why would it take energy double what I put in there? Holy crap, man. Yeah, that would not have been good. But I think this should probably be it, right? Man. Man, oh man. If this is it. Woo-wee. If this actually does work, I'm going to go insane. In a positive way. But still, insane. La da 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 da. Well, name an item in my game, the Kaupen Obliteration Cannon. That's nice. That's actually very nice. Pretty cool. Man, now I'm getting items named after myself. My lord. Where does this end? This makes no sense. Listen, I can tell you what makes no sense. I don't have water. That's why it doesn't work. That's actually so good. But if I add water, oh my god, that is gonna work. Oh, listen, guys. And it decreases. It actually works. Oh my god. Yo. Look at this. Now, this might be a little bit too much energy, but this can always change. Like, it doesn't matter. Oh, now there's no more water, so it stops. Yo. You can add warnings due to energy or water missing. I don't need to add warnings. I think that people, you know, should understand, like, what is happening here. And there we go. Full. I mean, that's amazing. Now you need sound while the machine is running. I'm just gonna do the sound myself. There you go. Take that. Luke, see you in the clip. Your friend don't understand that. Well, okay. I mean, hell yes. Unbelievable, man. It's unbelievable. Oh, this is wild. This is so good. I mean, that's like, honestly, just already so awesome. Why are container shading so weird? Fluid, I mean the fluid tank and the energy gauge. What do you mean, like the shading? Oh, wait. I literally did the shading the wrong way around, didn't I? I literally just saw that. I did the same shading as the result slot over here. Well, okay, let's fix that. That's actually kind of funny. Alrighty. And then also, I feel like I want to make this a little bit smaller. What do you guys think? Like, should this stay like the 16 width, or should I make it a little bit smaller? I'm not 100% sure. Smaller. Alright. Smaller. Anyone else for, wait, can I not make a poll? Guys, let's do this correctly. I think I can make a poll, right? Yeah, I can make a poll. Wait a second. Guys, we're gonna make a poll. Create a new poll. Should the energy be smaller? Energy display. Do we need a poll for this? No. Am I just going to make this because I want to? Yeah. It's gonna say yes anyway, but it doesn't matter. 1 minute for you to vote. There you go. Should energy be smaller? Alright. Half the length from K. By the way, the bot from a few minutes ago is already banned. I banned it immediately. Beautiful gaming moment. What the fuck is this name? Excuse me? Luke! Yo! No, voting is not gambling. Wow. The disrespect, man. I don't even know what that's supposed to mean. I got a mail that action have been taken after reported him to Twitch. Oh, nice. Oh, that's amazing. All right, we're going to hydrate Pablo. A little bit of hydration over here. You do know what it means. Listen. Okay, just because I know what it means, you know. But that's not how it's going to sound like. You know how I can't make that joke. It's so stupid. You know how it sounds like in Mario 64 when you jump around? Yahoo! Waha! I don't even. Okay. Let's talk about this, okay? Let's like do this. This is stupid, but I love it. You know, this is why I like this. Because you can just mess around. I won't do it again. Listen, you can do it anytime you want. Don't you, Luke, come on. You think I'm like offended by this? Don't be ridiculous, okay? I would never. And if I actually were, well, you know. I think you know. All right, let's just change the shading here over here as well. Because that is kind of weird. I didn't even notice that. And then we're gonna do this. There you go. And now the shading is different as well. Hey, there we go. Not that way, Count. What do you mean not that way? Oh no, I did it. Oh no. Quinn, I'm sorry. Okay, listen. Oh no, he did the Yahoo as well. That's not okay. Okay. Now we have it. There we go. Look, we did it, chat. We got the right shading, finally. What is this insanity here? It's the right? Oh no. And then it's over here. And then it's right here. And this is also white. And then this is also gray. No, the corners are gray. Left and this one. Yes. Okay. Okay, now we got it. Finally. And then also we're going to look at the Yahoo one. Yahoo! Waha! Oh, man. That's also great. That's a great one. That's pretty good. All right, let's take a look at it now. So we have the... Oh, wait. We've got to, make this a little bit smaller. Sorry. That's not, I can't clip. You can't clip anymore? What do you mean? Like you were restricted because you clipped so often? 156.13. 156.13. That's nice. 156. Width is now 10, I believe. Oh, you just can't because you would find it funny. It's me. Kaupen. It's me, Kaupen. Doesn't work. Doesn't work at all, man. That's 8. It's an 8 width over here. And then the same goes here. But this should honestly be a thing that I can do here as well. We're going to do 8 per default, and then we're going to also make this able to be passed in. We can also just say yes, and then what we can do is we can actually call this. So we can do this instead. What are you talking about? I don't want to... I gotta go because my dad needs the laptop. Oh no! What do I do now? And not do anything. Just sit and not do anything. Well, it is a shame. But what can be done, man? What can be done? Luckily, you're gonna start working now. So at some point you have exposable income. What? Disposable income that you can use to get your own stuff. But it is what it is, man. You don't have to be sorry about it, man. That's fine. Listen, Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. And honestly, we are like really good. We're really well done. Like, this is pretty good. And pay that. Okay. Well, fair enough. Right. That's pretty good. Oh my god. Eunice Anna's flashbacks. Sus over here? Much? That's a little bit of a susamogus. You can't go, Luke. You belong to me. Oh man. Darker coming in over here with his what? The problem with my caps? Absolutely not. I thought you have to go now, Luke. Oh. Well, I mean, maybe you're gonna be back here on Wednesday. I do. Well, you know, it is what it is. I'm stretching. Alright, that's very good. Healthy to stretch, man. It's a very good idea. Means no switching when I press it. So Darker X Luke, I guess now. I mean, you know. It is what it is. It's what would it be? Killer Car, or would it be it's Killer Car, or it would be Dark Luke. Dark Luke actually works. Yo, this is wild. This is great. I think this is exactly what I had in mind. I might want to move it to be, you know, the same here, but honestly, that's pretty good. Let me quickly do this. And then I'm gonna be right back with you. Let me go here. Where is this? What is this insanity? WhatsApp, what are you doing? This one? Alrighty. FBI is knocking at your door. Oh no. Green locks mean that the class is public when it's a lock. Ah, yes. Okay. That does make sense. There we go. And now we just have a working thing with energy. And now it's actually draining energy. Wow. This is so good. My OPC, I had often problems with the left Windows key. Now the Windows key is FN key on my newer PC. Yes. I don't even have an FN key. Oh no, the FN key is on the right side of me with my stuff. Left input has some wrong shading. Listen. I will not touch. You can... Okay, Quinn, you weren't here. But you can still F off. Literally... This freaking thing, everyone was like, oh, change the shading around. The shading doesn't look good. For now, I'm going to keep the shading like this. Because I'm going insane with this craziness. The meow clip has been watched 53 times. Well, it's going to be 54 now. Where is it? Twitch. Why is this a thing? Twitch. Twitch. Kaupenjoe. Oh god, I'm gonna start saying something. Oh no, we're gonna see me play myself. Oh god, look at this. Oh no. Oh. I want clips. Where are my clips at? Clips. This one. It's so good. Listen to this. It's so stupid. I love it. I absolutely love it. I don't mean that pipe, I mean the input slot. The input slot is completely dark. Come, I'm thinking that you must change the model of the table. Must add some batteries. Well, first of all, what I want to do is I want to increase the height to at least encompass this as well. So this will probably be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6-ish blocks probably. But yeah. So we're probably going to take a look at that maybe at some point, but not now. No, I'm just going to make it higher. Hydration for you. JL Zatir. Zatir, yeah. The thing that connects to the slot. Right. Alright. Now we're gonna make pipes full block height. You sneaky. That's not allowed. That's not allowed. You know, because it does look a little weird, doesn't it? Yeah, I think that makes sense to increase that, and then I think we should be fine. Man, then pretty much this is implemented. It works. I mean, it works. Okay. Now I know what you mean. Okay, so well, I mean, it's on the yeah, I know what you mean, but like I don't know how to do it any other way because this is on the side. So the only thing I could do is make this black as well over here, and then it should make a little more sense, right? Maybe with the shading. Doesn't make a lot of sense anyway. I mean, I think that it makes sense, but I also think that maybe that's not the most important thing to look at right now. Because the GUI can be changed very easily in the future. So what we'll do is we'll just... I mean, that's great. My GUIs are better. Your GUIs are better. Oh, working energy storage. Oh, this is so good. That is amazing, man. 1 GUI, 2 GUIs. I mean, it's almost there, isn't it? 1 GUI, 2 GUIs. 1 GUIs. When Kaupen clips. Honestly, that's a great idea, by the way. Say GUIs. 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 Multiple GUIs. GUIs. Squeeze me. Refactor extract method, and this is going to be the assign energy info area. That's a clip. Oh god, man. I can't say anything. Guys, Pepe happy. Darker. What happened? Why is Pepe happy? That is always a good sign. I always want to see Pepe happy. Extracted method. Refactor. Got late. That would be very quick. But, I mean, maybe... who knows, man? I mean, you know. Yo, I actually just lost my mind. That's not what I wanted to do. Give me a second. Or I mean, I found my mind because I just noticed. I just puzzled together who you are, Quinn. I was like, I don't even know. And then I clicked on you and I saw the profile picture and I was like, oh, that makes a lot of sense. Squeeze me. I love how I did the same, like, snort. Squeeze me. That's amazing. Squeeze me. It's so stupid. Oh, why does this exist? Okay, give me one immersive engineering, by the way. I need the license over here. I actually want to add this as well. Reddits. This is the energy area. Making these clips like something. I couldn't get when. Oh, okay, that's fair enough. Yeah, I was like, I did not put 2 and 2 together until just now. So stupid. One of the best things ever. It really makes my day. Listen, if making clips is a thing that you enjoy, then keep doing it, man. I love that. That's pretty good. Bye. Blue sunrise. from? We gotta go now. Well, alright. Good night. See ya next time, Luke. Under MIT license. There you go. Yeah. Goodbye. Added license notice for immersive engineering. Easy. All right. I mean, what am I supposed to say but done? Still day. Still day for you, Darker? It's already 8:15 p.m. for me. So it's not long. I have to go. My friends and productive... goodbye, my friends, and a productive Monday. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you too, Albert. You too. Yeah, inventory handling was a no. I mean, man, this is great. This is honestly amazing. Gem infusing station. Yeah, it basically comes down to having the next generalized tier-based items. This is actually already done. So we could look into the most insane thing ever, and that is the slimes that generate energy. We could do that. But, you know, it would be a thing. Why not just like try something out, right? Like let's just like try some stuff out. So this would actually be an energy slime entity. Now, interestingly enough, I actually think that it is something completely different from the resource slime entity because it does something else. It doesn't have a resource per se. It has energy, right? So I'm probably still going to extend the slime over here, and we're going to copy over some methods from the resource slime, but I don't think that it's going to be a resource slime per se. Not for the moment, at least. Like living batteries. Yes, that is exactly right. Like living batteries. And we're going to have different types of those as well. So I was thinking about having one where that just literally generates energy. Alternatively, right? But also one that where you can throw it coal, and then it's going to eat the coal and something like that. Slimes that charge at a low rate anything that is in 5 radius. That is... Oh, and if a player gets it, then they get hit. That's actually a really cool idea. So then what I can do is... you know what? That's actually a really good idea. So this was the original idea. What if I did this? So a player enters area, might get shocked, right? But not if you wear rubber boots. Huh? So I can add rubber boots to the game, and then you don't get shocked because, you know, it's like, it makes sense, right? It absorbs the electricity or something. It doesn't have to make, like, real life sense. It only has to make sense a little bit. No, not a whole hazmat suit. No, hazmat suit I think is a little too much. I think that's a little too much. I want... What do I want? That's a great question. But you need to do a lightning particle effect. Because you don't know if you got zapped. Listen. Okay. Calm your stuff over here, Lurwin. Craft a kind of antenna with gems that captures the energy, but every time the slimes will shirk a little bit. Well, the first thing... Wait, can I not? Like, listen, shouldn't this be, like, fairly easy? Like, I'm gonna go, like, absolutely insane, okay? I'm literally just gonna try something over here, right? This is just gonna be a normal slime. Oh, man. Bluebird! Jean! Hello, and thank you for the hydrate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's, get a little bit more water over here. Oh, and we got another hydrate. Okay. Alrighty. That's good. Man, I'm almost out of water, guys. Oh, no! Abra! You gotta also... I gotta hydrate. Okay, let's get my thing ready again. And then Darker comes with a posture check. You madness. I love how, you know, the posture check is... Okay, listen. We're gonna start with Quinn. That's Quinn. Abra. JLZ. I love how the redemption of the points doesn't even show up like below me. Oh god. Whew. So if people are you sons of bitches. God damn it, man. Someone make a clip for Luke. He's gonna be happy about this one. Avengers! Assemble. Oh god, Surfly, why? Yo, I'm not feeling too well now. Nah, it's all good. But I'm literally sweating. What the frick, man? How can you sweat from... But listen, this was almost full, okay? What is this? Are you not gonna make me drink the entire freaking thing? Come on, get some hydrates out there. What is this? In before 8 hydrates at once. Oh my god, excuse me. Oh lord, that was... Whew. It's sparkling water, so what do you expect? I just make him drink the entire fucking thing. Mm-hmm. I need 2 more. I need to invest into count meters. I understand, man. Darker, keep them. Please. Please keep it. I don't want to drink anymore. Only hydration. No. Oh, God. Okay, so it's dead or dying. If that's not the case, I want an area. So I can just get the area of the slime. Oh, this is crazy. I actually think this is going to be really easy. I mean, really easy, right? But like... So I just want the bounding box, right? This dot get bounding box, inflate. 2. Let's say 5 around it for the sake of argument. And then we're just gonna say get, no, contains, dot, intersects, move. You sure I can't get like blocks in here? I'm pretty sure I can get blocks in there. I am like really very sure that there is stuff like that. I have this in pre-forge. This is it's some sort of packet, I believe. Yes. Oh. I know. It is. Wait, are we allowed to redeem during the live tutorial? Level 1 noob, now you're going crazy. I mean, no. Actually not. I will explain why. Because I'm not going to have the eyes on the chat while I do the live tutorial. Right? So, while I do the tutorial, I'm just gonna do it. Well, I gotta make lunch. Alright, Darker, well, enjoy your lunch, and we'll see you around. Yeah, it's just not going to work. I think that that's a little too much. And also, as I've said, like, I just can't, No, I want get blocks. Get block states, bounding box. Right. So we're gonna get the block states of this. So this is a stream, right? Yeah. I'm close to another hydration. Oh man. This is great. Filter. State dot. Right, but wait a second. How does this work now? So then if I go into the, what do I have here? I actually get the entity from it. Do you speak any other languages than German and English? I speak like no French at all, but I had it for 5 years, but I can't speak anything. And I was able once to speak a little bit of Japanese, but that is pretty much like gone. Yeah. Sadly. Level.get block entity. What happens if there's no block entity available? Get block entity. A return null, that's great. You have 20 lined up, lower one. You're gonna kill me, man. You're gonna kill me. Oh, I'm not sure. No, no, keep the stream. Okay, state, but we can get the position, right? State dot position. Wait, am I crazy? Does the block state not have a position? I'll save until 100. You are going to. I'm. At that point, I'm just gonna end the stream. Oh no! I have technical difficulties, guys. Close stream. Cool. Oh god, man. Okay, so this is a. That doesn't really work. I want to get I want to see if this is like a thing. Why the fuck does the state not have a? Am I like actually going insane? Have I lost my mind? Since when as state? What do you mean as state? Since when does the state not have a position? Oh, it has block entity. Yo, this is even better. No, that's not what I want. So now we have a stream that contains only those that have a block entity. And then what I want to do is I want to do a map. Right, so this is a function that takes in a block state and then returns R. Yes. And that is a block entity that I want. I can make this private static block entity. Yes. Get entity from Dogan Haldiz. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. I'm gonna hydrate even though you didn't hydrate. Okay, we're gonna do this from block entity from state. It's gonna be a block state. We're just going to return. This should be level. Do it because that doesn't exist. Okay, then let's just do this for sake of argument. Hydrate. Yes, hydrate. Get block entity state dot. Level dot get block pause. Get pause position. Yo, I'm losing my mind, guys. Why can I not? Why does the block state not have a position? Since when is this the case? Is this like actually a thing? Am I crazy? Block position. What is this? Entity block position. I don't need that. But it's a block state though. It's not a block. It's not a block. What? I'm actually going nuts. I have gone insane. Is state at position? But it's not what I want. I'm actually like, I'm a little bit losing my mind. I mean, I get it, but like, take a break. I mean, you're not wrong. Double post, Abra? I mean, maybe, but also, like, I just don't understand it. Missed, like, sorry. No worries, man. It's still kind of weird to me, like, a little bit. Like, I just don't quite understand why that isn't the case. And, like, how I can't get it. A little bit, like, I don't quite understand. I guess. Right. So, okay. If they have a block state, then I want to get that block state. See if you can just do get blocks. Okay, you can't really do that. As block entity. State block, get block entity. Nope. I can get a block position. Okay, I think I know how I can do it. Can I? No. Man, this is like, I don't. I have to look at this. Look this up. What do you mean this is not a thing that anyone has ever asked? How do I get the position from the block state? Has this never come up? Is this never a thing that has been happened before? I might also just be like thinking way too like crazy over here. Set block, get block state. Right, I can get a block state at specific. Alcano 21, thank you so much for the follow. Get entities? No. I need to get a block state. Block position, that's what I need to get. I need to get a block position. So the bounding box, I mean the bounding box contains positions, I guess, right? So you're gonna go through this anyway. I don't think there is one. Yeah. This is very strange, man. This is very strange. But okay. Then I guess we're just gonna do it manually? Really no other way to do it, right? I mean, we just have to do it manually. So let's get the... So we want to do... I would say... Alkanis? Name everyone. Oh, alkene. Alkanis? Alkanis? I don't even know what that is. Alkanis. You mean like alkynes, like the other thing from... Man, my brain is fried right now. I don't know what's going on. Let's do this. For each. You never can go through this, right? Well, I mean, you can, but... Okay. Block. Pause dot. Between closed stream. Wait, I can do this. Alkaline metal. Yes. Like alkaline. Yeah, no. Alkaline metals, I know. Those ones I know. I know him. He's me. Between closed streams. Bounding box. Alkani's German wiki page has a featured badge. Wow. Level dot. Now we're gonna get here. Get block state at this position. Wait, filter. How about we do this then? And then we do the P in here. Dot has block entity. Yes. Yes. And then we can put the block pause in here. And then we can say dot map. And then we can say get from state. No, like. Does this not work? Oh, it does work. Then we have mapped. And then we have a stream of block entities. And now, and then we want to filter again. And we want to say block entity dot has nope something like that though, right? Get capability, I guess. Get capability, and then we want to see whether or not that it has the not the item handler capability, but capability energy. Why is my thing so slow, man? Energy. If is present. Can I not just do is present? Yes, I can. Dot to list. Yo, and then we have a list of block entity. And this is available energy entities. Sorry. List of all lists. I mean, list of available block entities. Let's call it block entities to be like absolutely sure what this is. And then here we're just gonna put in we're just gonna return level dot get block entity at this position. Also, I actually want to do the following. BE unequals null and this. Okay. Now I have this list. Now what do I do with this list? Private void send energy. Yo, this is wild. Int amount. And then we're just gonna say for each var BE. Okay, listen. Block entity. Let's do it properly this time. In block entities. We're gonna say block entities dad. So we're gonna say block entity dad. Get capability again. So we're just going to make this sure that this actually does exist. And then if present, we're gonna make a thing here, but this is gonna be called helper. I guess. No, is this not a thing? Is this not how you do it? You sure this is how you do it? If present, yes, it's a handler, but that's okay. Handler, and then the handler is we're gonna say handler dot receive energy amount false. Yo! Yes.
Your patronage is appreciated.
Thank you so much for the €5, Alcano. Thank you for your awesome YouTube tutorials. You helped me out a lot. Well, that's always great to hear, and thank you so much for the support as well. That is awesome to hear, and I hope that the YouTube tutorials are going to continue for a long time to come. For, let's say, I don't know, how many different things could we have? Like 100 more, 100 more? Sorry, I was on a different thing. Like, I don't know, 10 more, 130? Wow. All if it works, first try. First of all, I have to add the energy slime, which is terrible. I could... Just for testing it, I could also add it to the resource slimes just to test it. Just to test it. Or should I actually get the energy slime properly? Port tutorials are never-ending story at this rate. I agree with you, actually. That is correct. You are absolutely correct. Yeah, let's do it properly, man. Let's do it properly. Energy slime. This is an energy slime. This is going to be an energy slime. Going to be an energy slime as well. Energy slime. I'm going to give them the same model, though, I think, just for the sake of argument. It's probably going to be, like, it's not going to quite work, but that's fine. Client listener. Entity renderer. Energy slime. I'm just going to give him the resource slime renderer, because frick him. Should hopefully work. And that is, I think, everything that we need. How to make plane in Minecraft 138. How you make aeroplane, please? How you make aeroplane? I don't know how you make aeroplane. Ah, entity, energy slime. Creature. I think that might be it, right? We need a way to spawn it. So let's go. How to make Minecraft in Minecraft 169. Nice. I mean, who knows? Resource slime, energy slime. Yeah, this is crazy. Energy slime. Give me like a hex color. 120, 137. Wow, why does 37 have so many like small things, man? Angular momentum is wheeze. Posture check again, man. Let me like. You really think about it, Minecraft is fairly possible. Yeah. Let's do like a dark brown. Yeah, there you go. Why posture check? Hydrate would have been better. Well. Spawn egg. Resource. No, energy slime spawn egg. Okay. Run data. Do it. I'm gonna drink it anyway. Oh my god. That was wild, man. F. Well, I mean, I did it anyway, you know. Oh, Lowerwing, can you see first-time chatters as well, by the way? Can you see that? When they are the first-time chatter? So you can probably see that because you're moderator. Ah, that's very nice. That's actually pretty cool. I actually really like the feature that it displays it in a little bit of a highlighted way. Right? When the first time chatting from a viewer. I really like that. It makes you pay a little bit more attention to the to the message. Wait, are we trying it? Okay, before we're trying it, I want the entity to work, because the entity and this is completely like whatever, right? If I'm gonna spawn the entity away from my stuff, if the entity properly spawns, then we're gonna do the poll for the energy. It's only the energy that I'm concerned with, not the actual whether or not the entity has like a rendering issue, because that's stupid. I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think I can spawn this. I think it's gonna crash. Oh, it didn't crash, holy shit. What is it dropping? Where the fuck? Oh, I know why. Because it's still spawning resource slimes. There it is. Where is it? Energy slime. But now it just needs to spawn a slime, and if it does, then we're gonna do the poll. So let's do or the prediction, I guess. Start prediction. Will the energy slime supply energy to nearby, okay, supply energy to block entities? Yes and no. And what we're gonna do is, oh man, okay, what I'm gonna do is this. I'll set it up just a second. We're not gonna start it yet. Oh, testing stuff. Yes, test stuff. No, I think I think it should be okay, because I think that if it doesn't get I think it's all nullable. Just gonna get an empty one and stuff like that. I think we're gonna be okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna be okay. I think it should work. Okay, so let's see. So this should, okay, so it spawns something. I love how, look at this, like, why does it? That's exactly what I was like. Oh, because we're in. Alright, I know why. Ah! I didn't want to click save. I wanted to click options. Today we had 38 degrees C. Whoa! That is wild. We actually went down to 16 degrees C, which is amazing. Really nice. It's been really nice today. And now the sun's shining a little bit. It's a very nice weather. Okay, it doesn't work because we're on peaceful. There he is. So now let's just get a sword and kill him. Get out of here. Oh no, it's actually gonna split up. Oh no. Okay, this is not... Okay, whatever. Okay, so it works. Now, I'm gonna do time, set, day. Now, we're gonna do two things. Number one, I'm gonna start the prediction. Will the energy slime supply energy to the block entity? I'm going to put this up here, right? This is the code that happens, right? I'm gonna start the prediction. I'm gonna have 5 minutes, okay? Right, now. And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm also gonna run an ad because I am going to go to the toilet now. Because you all made me hydrate so much, now I'm gonna run an ad. That's what you get when you make me hydrate too much. See you in just a moment. Subscribers, I know you can still see me. This is gonna be okay. I'm gonna be back in just a moment. Welcome back. So, first of all, Tech Cat. Hydrate. I love how I come back and we're immediately gonna hydrate again. Alright. So, once again, we're only halfway through the thing. That's actually almost 50-50. That's crazy. So once again, this is the code, right? Will the energy slime be able to supply energy to the nearby block entities? This is the code. It's actually not that complicated when you really look at it. It's fairly straightforward, all things considered. And we're going to see whether or not this is actually the case. Now, if this works, ho-ho, pretty good. If it doesn't, we're going to have a little bit of a redistribution of points, but not too crazy. Not too crazy indeed. So we're actually going to be fine. Winners go make him hydrate. You! Listen, if you're going to make me hydrate more, I literally have no more water in my, like, I don't know, like, bottles over there. So I would actually have to make new water. And then I'm gonna run an ad again. Because while I'm gone, I might as well. Let me add something to my weather story. There isn't just a storm right now, but there's 4 centimeter big ice chunks. Yo, do you have hail? You have like giant hail? 4 centimeters? Are you crazy? That is wild, man. That's dangerous, dude. Alright, get your last points in if you have some more, if you want to gamble. I could have probably also done a little bit less. I had hail too, but like an hour ago. Not as big. That's crazy. Free ice to add to your drinks. I don't think that's how it works. I don't think that's how it works. We're gonna send 20 RF per tick over here. Or FE per tick, I guess. It doesn't matter. RF and RFE are the same thing. We're gonna see. We almost have a 50-50, man. That's crazy. It's almost a 50-50. I'm surprised. Oh, it's even more closer to 50-50 now. More closer. Maybe like learn some English, man. Get some English lessons, my guy. Man, I have to keep burping because I'm drinking so much fizzly water. Listen, at least I'm going to be very well hydrated. All right. Okay. Moment of truth. Moment of truth, chat. Let's go back over here. Listen, I'm talking a lot, so sometimes you have to, you know, do some stuff. All right. I'm just going to literally set down some things. Now, they are all empty, right? We can all see this. They're all empty, right? This is not a surprise or anything. They're all empty. Now, as soon as I spawn a energy slime right here, we should see this tick up. We should see this tick up. Yeah! Holy shit, man! It actually works! Whoa. This is so awesome. Because it ticks up, not in all of them, as you can see. See, this one only got 300 because then it... Wow! That's so good! But like, come on, Lurwin, you gotta at least admit that this is already pretty awesome. That this is not too crazy. And then it actually works. Wow! It was literally 50-50, the thing. So, enjoy your doubling of your points. Will the out supply energy to the BE? Yes. Yes, it will. Holy crap, man. That is amazing. Very cool and surprisingly easy to do. Now, the really fun thing is I can make them split, and then look how fast it's now going to fill up. Because there's so many of them. But that's still, it's still pretty awesome. Like, I mean, I'm very happy with this. Doubling points, not for everyone. Oh, yeah, you're right. I mean, good point, actually. Well, you didn't believe enough, man. Believe. You should have believed more. Whoa, this is so good. Yeah, it worked. Damn. Damn, that's wild. That's wild. Gamble again. I don't even know what to gamble for at this point. Like, or what, like the topic, like the thing should be. Because, I mean, this already working is pretty wild to me. The question is, like, what do we need then? Like what is the next thing that we need? Particles. Alright, like, Lauren, what kind of particles would you want? Do you mean, like, particles going from the energy slime towards the block entities? Because that could be an interesting one. Do a poll for Droid drink more sparkling water. No! Not gonna happen. So that could be interesting. Yeah. Alright. I believe the tick method is called on both server and client. I'm pretty sure. So I think I can just do it. So when we're sending the energy to the block entity, we have the block pause here. Yes. They should be able to do... Yeah, better if it actually looked like lightning. Take a look at mechanisms, lightning effect, or immersive engineering. I was actually... So, like, long term, what I was actually thinking is like a tiny slime that's just traveling towards it. Like a tiny energy slime as a thing, but we'll see. Honestly, let me spawn any type of particle first, and then we'll see, man. Vector 3. I need a vector, but like a block pause is a vector as well, right? I guess. Kind of, but not really, actually. Within Manhattan distance. No. Random in cube, random in between closed. What would be the vector class that I would want to be using? Vector 3D probably then. V equals a new. Or I. No, block position is integers, right? Yes. We actually would want I then. What is within Manhattan distance? It's like measuring the distance between 2 points, and then Manhattan is like depending on whether or not you count the diagonals square root of 1, square root of 2 or not. Because the issue that you have if you have a square like grid like this, right? If you have a square grid, or like a, I mean, it doesn't matter, a square grid, or if it's blocks as well, the same issue. That if you move from here to here, that's 1. If you move from, let me actually zoom in. If you move from here to here, that's 1. If you move from here to here, that's also 1. But if you move from here to here, it's the awkward position of being actually the square root of 2 distance, and that's kind of a not a very nice thing to have. But then you have Manhattan distance as well, which is also does that as 1, I believe, or it does the exact opposite. But you know, one of those, I guess. So there you go. Wait, vector 3f? No, that's not what I. Vector 3f then. What does what want? You know what? I think I have to. Yeah, no one. I don't think that this is something that anyone has ever asked for. Now that, like, the block position, though, right? Let's get, like, the block position of it. Block entity dot get block position, right? What can I do with this? You can get the distance. Relative, nope. So I don't have anything here, sadly. Okay, then let's look at particles. Add particles. You actually put in doubles. You should be able to do that. Gotta go P. Amazing. Oh, absolutely amazing, Quinn. That's great. You can send a snippet of how you did the particles that go from a killed mob towards the player. Oh yeah, I mean, oh yeah, 100%. If you can send that, that's great. I have to go enjoy the rest of the stream. Thank you for joining us, Abra, and enjoy the rest of your evening as well. Absolutely, Lurwin, I'll take that. That would be honestly already, like, greatly helpful. That would be great. All right. Okay, that might work then. Can you even do this? Can you make this like offset direction? Not really. Like, you can probably make like a custom vector. Make like a vector I, right? Of both positions, so you can make a new. All right, let me look at this. Oh, I mean that's not nothing at all, man. That's like easy. Ooh, all right. Yeah, that's like not too bad at all. You know, that's just a little bit of stuff, man. Data is gonna be the particle start, particle type. It's not. It doesn't really matter what it is. Item slime. Oh yeah. I mean, like at this point, it doesn't matter. Server level, absolutely. Attacker v subtract, and then this is the attacker vector. So this would be the vector that you would want to change. Target. Back. I feel dehydrated, I guess. Amazing. And this, what you would want to do is you would just want to do a block pause, and then instead of this, you want to do pause. Pause. None of that craziness. And pause. But it's going from the entity to the position. Well, I know that I shouldn't call it every time. Interesting. If this is bigger than 0, test block entity dot get position. Listen, I know I shouldn't call it every tick, but like, why not try it? Okay, why not try it? Did someone say hydrate? No, please, please, please! I beg you, I beg of you, don't. Husky, Husky, you know not what you have done. Basically, a vector from the mob to the player. Yeah, no, I mean, I understand it. Like, it's just, this is literally what I wanted to do as well. Just draw a vector from one position to the other, and then just send it over there. But, you know, sometimes it's a little easier to do it like this. I'm not gonna lie. Here you go, you freaking dino. Skin your dinosaurs. Unbelievable, man. Alright. Gonna drink another one up. Because I didn't feel it was enough. Alright. We'll see if it works. We'll just start with one block entity. It's probably gonna do like it's gonna be like a machine gun. You mother... I'm gonna increase this. And then everyone's gonna be like, no, don't increase it. I'm gonna increase it by like 20%, and then I'm gonna be like, well, if you subscribe, then you get the same amount. That's amazing. Okay, we're just gonna get one. And... not quite, I guess. No, like, peaceful. Well, it does something. Not quite what I had in mind, but it does something. Movement. Block entity dot subtract target. One vector minus the other. Yes. And X and Y are... oh, random. We don't need that. We just need this. We literally just need the position of this guy. No random needed. Sorry. The spawn position should also literally just be this. Yes, it should spawn inside of the entity and then move towards the thing. Let's increase the speed a little bit. Let's maybe take anything else but the slime stuff. Might also be the particle you chose. That could be the case. Let's do a crit. And then we don't even need any of this randomness, man. Look at this. Way easier. Nice. Yeah, I think this is sensible. I think this might work out. Man, jeez. Right. Alrighty. And if this is already like this almost feels a bit too easy. That it like almost works pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. Particle count var in send particles is important because kind of does it. It almost works. By the way, pardon. Kind of works, but like, oh, now it's too far away. Yeah, that makes sense actually. If it's too far away, then it won't send them. That makes sense as well. But it's not really like. Oh, wait a second. No, I know what happens probably. Wait a second. You normalize the vector, don't you? It only has length 1 here. When you normalize it. I shouldn't normalize it. It's going to go into the right direction, but only 1. It's going to have length 1 when you normalize it. So I actually don't want it to have length 1. Yeah, I need that for it to work. I don't think so. I mean, maybe for your use case. I don't think so. I'm just going to try it. Also, what do you mean? Particle count in sent particles. Is there a particle count? Oh! Because if it's bigger than 0, it will behave completely differently. Interesting. Client-bound level particle packet. I didn't know that that was just a thing. Yeah, for my use case. Fair enough. Fair enough. Absolutely no worries. I saw a crap ton of people donated hydrates a while ago. Yes, they did. And that led to me actually having to go AFK during a stream for the first time. But I did run 1.5 minutes of ads because that's the deal. You let me drink and I run ads when I go to the toilet. I feel like this is absolutely fair. It doesn't seem to work still, but all right. Let's just add an 3-hour stream so far. Kind of all over the place, isn't it? It doesn't make any sense. Why does this not work? The movement goes into the direction that it is. It starts on here. Starts at the target. Okay, so you get the position of a block entity. Absolutely. And then you subtract from it the target, which gives you the vector from the target to the block entity, which is called movement. And then you just spawn it. Maybe they do despawn too fast. Is this saved in the types? The behavior, instead of using 3 arcs, use the velocity instead of uses the crit particle has a despawn too fast. Yeah, I was literally about to say that. Yeah. I think so too. I think so too. Well, the question is which one does not do that then? Like which? Dripping water? Falling water? Your custom one. Yeah, sure enough, but like, you know. Lifetime 28 random. Drip particle. I think drip particles is a little longer. Let's just try it and let's increase the speed a little bit more. Let's do 35 first. Yeah. Yes. I like this. I like this a lot. All right. Yeah, I mean, a custom one is going to be okay as well, but, you know. wouldn't it also be kind of weird because I probably would need to actually change the speed depending on the distance, because if otherwise the particle would just stay there or it would decay too fast. So I think that the speed actually also needs to be changed depending on the like how far away it is. I don't even know how to calculate that. Oh no, you could calculate it. You could just say like the lifetime in ticks versus the, yeah, it can be calculated, but it's a little weird. It's a little weird, I guess, but yes. And then we'll see. And come on. Okay, so the drip particles is actually really funny. Immediately have gravity built into them. That's... Man, does this have to make you like pee a little bit? Because it does for me. You know? Pee is stored in the slimes. Hydrate the slime. Oh. Okay, listen. I mean, come on, man. Dragon breath? That can't have anything, right? That's not gonna have any, like, craziness here. Spread side ages. Like, it's crazy. The all of them are, like, insanely, like... They all have crazy stuff. Gravity and crap like that. Ash. What about ash? Ash. Splash? Splash. White ash. Ash. What about ash? Gravity. Probably has gravity, doesn't it? Ash doesn't have gravity. Lifetime. 20 ticks. 1 second. Ugh. I didn't delete your dimension, Husky. I changed it to be so that it works. Also, the JSON file is still available inside of the resources folder. I just moved it, the old one, because it didn't work. You have to change something there, and I didn't know what it was. Yeah, well, whatever, I guess. Let's just make a custom particle type. It's just gonna be the energy particle. You know what the good thing is? That when you've done particles once, you can just copy over stuff. Always great. Particle. Da 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 da. Love it. Absolutely love it. Mod particles. Get that crap over here as well. There you go. This is going to be resource slimes mod ID. And then we're just going to do another one in the client over here called particles. Now, it shouldn't matter. Because it's not going to... No, it doesn't matter. Okay. It doesn't matter. Put it here. Put it in its own thing. Doesn't make any sense. Also, this is particle, not particles. Then inside of these, you want to say mod particles dot register event bus. Absolutely. Now this is actually going to be the energy particles. Energy particles, also known as the energy particles. And it's going to be... Oh, this is just a simple... Wait. Oh, yeah. The energy particles provider is going to be in the client listener. Nope. Yes, actually it will be. Because this has to happen in the event bus. And this one. And it has to happen in the client event bus, so this is exactly right. That's going to be the energy particles. Of course, energy storage. Absolutely. Why wouldn't it be? There you go. And now those are done. Now they're going to fade out. Does this make sense? No, I don't think so. I don't think I want them to fade out, to be honest. Okay, I'm just going to take anything that I have. Now this is going to be assets, resource slimes, particles. Also called energy particles. Resource slimes. This isn't called citrine, but this is called something else. I'm gonna add the particle over here. I mean, I could just add the citrine for the time being, I guess. Just so that I have anything. And then we'll see. Lifetime 20. Let's do 40. And then what I have to do is I have to calculate the distance. So the speed would then be distance is equal to block entity distance to target. And this gets me a double. That is totally fine. And then what I want to do is I want to do this distance divided by 40. Because I would expect the particle to move this many like block lengths per tick. Meaning that if this is 40 blocks away, and this is going to tick 40 ticks, then every tick it should move 1 block. I would be hoping that this is correct. Now this being hard-coded is not the nicest thing, but it's fine. Because I believe lifetime is probably, yeah, it's protected. Can you do get lifetime maybe? Oh, you actually can. Also, I didn't change the stuff, so I know that it wouldn't have worked anyway. What I can just do is I can actually just say mod particles dot energy particles dot get. And then we just say data dot get type dot data dot how do I get the energy particle? Where is this? Oh, I guess that's not quite gettable, I guess. I mean, I could probably cast it. Why bother with it? Let's just keep it, and then we're gonna see. I love it's like, wait, I didn't look. Did you add the JSON for the particles? I did. I did add the JSON for the particles. What do you think over here, Lurwin? You think I'm some sort of noob? No, I am not. Incredible. Incredible. La dee da. Okay. It's gonna do it. I know it. Yo, look at this. I mean, this is almost what you be kind of feel like the position's not quite right. Yeah, there's something wrong with this, but you know, this is fun. This is really funny as well. It does look kind of funny. Once it's full, it's gonna stop. Yo, it actually worked. That's amazing. Okay, I can completely make it. Oh god, look at this. Insanity. Oh my god, look at this. I made a screenshot. That's insane. It doesn't quite work, does it? Not quite. But like it's almost there, I guess. Get rid of all of them. Get rid of this guy. Get rid of this guy. I just have you. I want you to be in a nice... No, that's the wrong one. Glass, yes. You're using the center of the block pause. Welcome back once more, Turdy. What are you looking at? Well, the idea that we had, the energy slimes. So you can see this is an energy slime. And it actually is filling up my energy over here. It actually works. If the energy slime is within 5 blocks, then it works. 11 11 7? No, that's not right. 11 117. Thank you very much for the follow. So you can see that if the entity is within 5 blocks of the of a block entity that has a energy capability built into it, then it's going to add 20 RF per tick. Might be too much, right? Because and then also it's going to add that for every one of them, because so I can literally add like multiple ones, and every one of them is going to get 20 RF per tick, or 20 FE per tick, I guess. So might, you know, changes, but that's okay. And then now I just want a stream of particles to go from the entity towards the actual thing. Now, it will take the lower corner of the block. Ah. Okay. But I don't understand this. Oh, so I need to add to this before. But it shouldn't make... Okay. Hey, listen. There is a method, but I don't know what it is. The issue is that I don't think that it makes sense, because the get... Oh, this is gonna do a double. Yo! Oh. Wait, but that's the exact position here. And this is not the exact position. The position here is just the integer. Set x. Return this. What the? Oh. No, that's not what I want. Wait, position dot get x. Gets you an x. Wait, what is this? Pause? Am I insane? Am I going insane right now? Get x? .0 every xyz from the center is actual block center. Yeah, but I'm actually going insane right now. Wait a second. This is in vector 3i. Oh my god. The block post just extends the vector. So, yes. So you want to add 0.5 to all of them. Because it's the bottom left corner, but I actually want the top. I think so, right? It would be 0.5 to all of them, right? Or am I completely crazy over here? No, I don't think so. And then you subtract the one vector from the other. Yeah, okay. And this would have a big effect because... Still not 100% sure about this. I don't think that that's enough. We'll just see. We'll just take a look at it and then we'll see. I mean, worst case, it doesn't work. I guess. All right. Da 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 da. Yes, exactly. All right, now. No. Let's go. There's always debug for checking the values target. You are correct. However, I'm probably not going to do that today because I am already fried. I'm fried out. We're probably going to try it like this time and then I'm probably going to be done actually. Because I am completely just, it's over here. But that's okay. Yeah, that's bullshit. Like this literally doesn't do anything. Wait, does it not go through glass? That would have been really funny, right? If it wouldn't have gone through that. No, I don't know. This is something for future Kaupenjoe. I guess that's gonna be okay. I mean, but still, we have it sort of working. Like the actual energy slime is actually already transferring energy to the block entities. I mean, that's amazing. The fact that that actually works is pretty awesome indeed. Like, that's pretty cool. So energy slimes transfer energy to all nearby block entities that can accept energy. Like, and it's not even that crazy when you really think about it. You're just getting the, like, all of the, you know, blocks around it, basically. I'm just saying, hey, get all of the available energy block entities with this crazy stream stuff. And then we're just sending it energy. If it has an energy capability, again. I mean, it's pretty awesome. Like, this is... I did not expect this to work as simply as it does. Because now expanding it, sending different amounts, maybe even going so far as to say, looking at, okay, how many block entities do we have? And then distributing the power evenly, for example, right? And then you could also think about possibly having some sort of item that where you can bind a energy slime to one particular entity, so it's only sending it to that one instead of all of them and then dividing it. Could be all sorts of stuff, but it's pretty cool. Like, it's that is honestly really awesome. And the energy also works. So now, really, it is literally just a matter of getting the other two stations right? So getting the infusing station, the cleaning station. Once I have the cleaning station, I can... So for the cleaning station, I also will need actually another thing, and that is going to be... This is going to be soapy water fluid. Right? So that's going to be for the... And then maybe... Okay, this is a maybe. I don't know this yet. Maybe... slimy water fluid. Slimy water. So basically the idea is that you clean the slimy extracts, right? And you do this with soapy water. And the soapy water then turns into slimy water. It does kind of make sense. So you would have to, get that waste product out of there. But I'm not sure if I want to do it. But it could be an interesting idea. So I need the soapy water for the slime cleaning station, and then maybe the slimy water. And then I pretty much have the first machines ready-ish. There might be like a couple of things left, but it's actually going pretty good. And then there's sort of an idea, or I gotta think about how to actually do the progression further, right? Like how you actually do stuff. How do you actually get the slimes, right? You start like killing slimes, and then you like make a first slime out of it, and then you can assign it something, or like how do you even get the slimes? This is basically the thing that I have to then also figure out. But once again, that's something that it's a small detail. It's actually a big detail, but it's gonna be fine. We're gonna be okay. All right, let's actually go to the big boy camera over here once more. What an amazing morning Monday it was. Absolutely freaking crazy. You got me to drink water. You got me to drink even more water. And let's be honest, you got me to... You almost killed me over here. Not that crazy, but yeah. It's pretty good. And we didn't even do fluid handling today. But we did fluid handling today. No, energy handling, absolutely amazing. It actually works. Water hive. It's so strange, but it's pretty good. I'm probably gonna have to make a Kaupen drown next, right? Where it's like my Minecraft character that's like drowning in water. That could be a good one. That could also be a thing. And also we have the hype train at the end, at the beginning, yeah. Haha, the fluid handling. Look, man, I mean, it's just like, you know, it's funny. It's funny, right? It's funny. Yeah. No, but nonetheless, man, it was really good, guys. It was really cool. And, yeah, we're gonna see. So, for the time being, we're gonna call it quits for today. But, once again, Wednesday, again, we're gonna try one more time Eldritch Worship Rimworld. If I die again, we're gonna kill the series. We're gonna do something else. I don't know what yet, but we'll see. Oh, Dark, no! Why are you coming back when I'm about to end the stream, Dark? Why would you do this? I came back to the end. Dark, do you want to see our progress? Have you seen this already? I'm going to show you the progress, just for you. Okay, listen. I'm going to show you what we made. What do you have not seen the progress? All right, I'm going to show you the progress, and then we're going to go. I think that that's fair. I think that is the only fair thing that I can do. All right, let's see. See, good thing that I did that. We have Christos. I already did that once, right? Skier Gyanglu. There you go. We're just gonna say Christos. Christos, hello there. Hello there. All right, so. Yes, you did. See, I knew I did this already. I did this once. And I nailed it. And I don't know why I can do that. So, what we have is... We have working energy. It's pretty good. Actually, what I've not tried is using other block entities. I actually want to try this as well. Okay, so, once the world actually loads, you know, it's just going to take a little while. And what you will find is that what we have is, first of all... Okay, let's get rid of this guy. We have a gem cutting station. And it has air, and it has FE. So what we can do is we can, you know, that's all old news. Configurator, right? There you go. Boop, boop. We can fill it with water. That's, fluid handling. No one cares about that. All right. Okay, fair enough, man. Let's get an energy cube, and let's get a cable. Right, and then we'll get a cable over here. And I'll put this on there. And then we get energy. Oh, what? Exactly. And then we'll get energy. And then we're going to get a gem cutting. And then we could put this in here. And then it's actually going to do the following. It's actually going to take energy while it's crafting. I mean, if that's not amazing, I don't know what is. Because that's honestly freaking awesome. Now, it's not taking water right now. Oh, of course it's not taking water because it's getting water supplied. That makes a lot of sense. And what I then also have is this, right? I have a slime called an energy slime. We've just added this. That if 5... So we're going to do the following, right? So we're going to have an energy slime. We're going to do this. Right? And if it's 5 blocks or nearer to this, then it's actually going to supply this with energy. And I love that that is actually something that works. Now this does also work for other machines. It should. It doesn't, because it doesn't have a capability. That's very interesting to me. Please make a tutorial with energy and water. That is the plan. I mean, a tutorial on that is definitely planned. Interesting. Energy. Probably only has a sided one, but that's very interesting, actually. This sounds fantastic. I mean, I'm actually, like, I'm really happy with the fact that it works. Does the energy cube work? No, it doesn't. So that it doesn't do the energy cube yet, but that's okay. That's fine. But it does mine, and honestly, that's like I'm already pretty happy with this. That's pretty awesome. You know, the particles don't quite work yet, but you know, that's something to fix. But it's pretty awesome, man. It's pretty awesome. It's going along really, really well. I didn't expect the energy slime to actually work like that well already. So, man, we're gonna see. It's gonna be a crazy ride, and yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for today. So thank you all for coming along. It was a very cool stream once again. Very awesome modding Monday. Thank you all for joining me. Hope you found this useful and entertaining as always. And I'll see you all, well, either Wednesday or next modding Monday. So, yeah.